NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With NASDAQ's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay.
That's not bad. I hope this one holds. Come on, don't start me off with a loser. I won. Deal me in 3-1.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're gonna start me off with a $100 loser? Not happy.
Long or short?
Long. At 12.50. I'm gonna fight this one a little bit. Welcome back. Welcome back, Mr. Cotter.
Mr. Cotter? I don't even know who that is.
Serious? Welcome back, Cotter. Oh, that was a show from the old days.
Is that before my time? How old days we talking?
Could be. I don't know. I mean, you seem to know some of the old shows there. Gilligan's Island time.
I was there,
Happy
but
days.
I wasn't like
Yeah,
there.
you were.
JC, good morning.
JC. John Travolta was in that show. Actually. Okay, 203, 209. If we get a bullish candle, I'll again add a little bit to this trade.
I'm a little
very
on the
close to
sick
this
side,
stuff.
so I have to go ahead and apologize for all the coughing and sneezing and all that other stuff. Eyes are burning, can't breathe, can't trade, charts won't work.
Still.
It won't work.
I was kind of hoping that you'd have it fixed.
Well, it wasn't lack of effort, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Did you contact Bullonox?
Sent them a message last night. They haven't responded.
Well, it's still early. So do you have anything that you can trade, or you're just keeping me company?
Pretty much probably just going to be hanging out today.
Yeah, okay.
Can't even trade a sim account.
No shit.
Even the sim account won't work. I gotta be careful on my trading view. I got on yesterday and I was logged into my live account. What the hell's going on here? That's not cool.
Hey, I clicked sell ask twice. Really? You're gonna delay me again?
What's our analysis? Chaos?
You see the trade? You see my orange order? Close operation failed. Operation timed out. What the fuck is going on here?
Get out.
Get me out of my trade here, geniuses.
Hope you're recording these trades.
Well, it's on my live stream. There we go. And somehow now I'm short 8. Go and figure. Yeah, lose me another $100.
What's going on with these Ninja Trader and stuff?
I don't know how I was short another 8.
Clicking the button.
I clicked sell ask. So I should be flat. and then I clicked close. So it doesn't add to the trade, but really what it did is it shorted another 8. So it put in the limit order to get me out of the 8, but it didn't know, kind of like just like Rhythmic, it didn't know. So when I clicked close, it did another 8. And of course, down at the low. Okay. I worked my way back from this last night. Now I got to work my way back again.
Hey, what do you have? What do you have to close at?
752.
24,752.
Yeah.
$75 or 50?
So what do you mean?
What's the number after that?
After 752? 753. I don't get what you're talking about. You asked me what's the close. What was the close at?
Yeah.
752. 24,752.
Then there's a point, right? And after the point, there's 2 numbers.
Oh my God! Nah, I look at a range of like 5 points up and down. I don't care, but I don't even know if that's accurate. But if you want it exactly, you got to be fucking kidding me. 752.75.
We got it. We got it. We're good.
That's what I got.
Didn't mean to distract you.
Oh, it's fine. I didn't know we were being that specific. Let's go sell off a little bit. Let me make back some of my loss, you motherfucker.
That's language, man.
Yeah, I'm on tilt already. They got me by the short hairs for stupidity. I hate that. I'm so tired of getting screwed on losing trades.
I watched this video this morning. This guy said you gotta take it slow and slow down a little bit. And
yeah,
you should take his advice.
Who was that idiot? He's right. Whoever that was, he's right.
I think his name was Futures Floor or something like that.
Look at this. Fuck off. Okay.
Don't you hate it when people tell you to follow your own advice?
Yep.
Bama, good morning.
There's the 928. Yeah, you sucked me up. Now
Bama, a little sick this morning, so I have to apologize for the sneezing and coughing and stuff like that.
Sneezing and wheezing.
Mike told me we don't get sick days. I asked him, I said, do we get sick days? He said, no. But you has to work. Despicable. Plus, my Ninja Trader won't work, so I don't know what to do about that either. Mike, you see my bank has ruined your whole week? Uh-oh.
What's ruined the week?
The bank.
The bank?
That's where you put your money.
How does the bank ruin the week?
You ever talk to them people sometimes?
Yeah. I have a harder time with the internet company and the cell phone company.
I've had my run-ins with the banks.
Markets are opening.
Sometimes I hang up on them because I won't stop cussing at them.
Mm.
They switched to Discover card. I didn't notice.
Of course.
But it's amazing how many people don't take Discover. Oh, wow. And then I guess since they switched, now you got to get a new card. Old card don't work anymore. Mike, you ever have them cut your card off?
Only when it's been fraudulently copied, or when I used it in a place where some guy has been copying cards.
Mm-hmm. So you're supposed to get permission before you leave town from the bank. A lot of people don't know that. You don't get permission to cut your card off.
Mm.
Then once they cut it off, they won't turn it back on. It's a crazy system.
Mm.
That happened to us a few times. First time we're like, look, it's no problem. Just turn the card back on. We can go pay for our groceries. Everything's fine. They're like, no, we can't do that. What do you mean? You got my money. I can't have it?
Mm.
Well, we'll send you a new card.
I can't have it.
What do you mean you send me a new card? I have a card. Just turn it back on. No, we can't do that. Like, we're trying to pay for groceries.
You need to eat.
It's like, fine. Well, how long before I get the new card? Oh, it could be a week or two. A week or two? How am I supposed to buy groceries? Think I'll take an IOU?
Hmm. Write a check.
I don't know how to
Go to
write
the
a
bank,
check.
Make a withdrawal.
I've written like 2 checks in my life.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Good morning.
I had a checkbook for like a decade.
You never needed a new one. I write about 16 checks, I'd say, a year.
On what?
I don't know. Usually contractors work, people like that.
You know you can use a card, right?
No, not too many of them take a card. Like, when the guy comes, the electrician comes, or the guy comes to fix the dishwasher or the washing machine, they don't have the ability to take cards.
Really?
Out of contractors don't accept. A lot of contractors don't accept cards. Yeah. Oh, we got a trade here.
Told you. We went to the movie theater a few weeks ago. They wouldn't even accept cash.
That's funny.
Trying to get a drink and popcorn, and you have to use a card.
Well,
Now, look, we just want a drink and popcorn. What's the problem? Like, oh, we don't, no cash. This is crazy.
what do you want, Sparky?
I think if I put my bot on a sim account, it might at least
Long in 84.
show the trade. Let's do this one.
Let's get back up to 84. Sparky says go long. Yeah,
Activate.
you gotta be kidding me.
Nope. It had a short. Don't even show up there. Why do we have to go through this as traders?
I don't know. Yep. I'm on tilt with chip.
Me too.
I gotta stop after this.
I can't stop because I can't go.
Missed the beginning when I got screwed out of the software didn't work. NinjaTrader didn't work. You're good. I gotta get over the bands.
Bama, your best bet might just be to switch your money out of your bank account to a new one. I'd call a new bank. So look, I don't like my bank. What are you gonna do?
Wow, it just won't go above my entry, huh? Just bite down on some leather. We'll get through this.
What the fuck are you doing, man?
I'm trying to see a move above my entry price.
Already opened a new account, waiting on card. Yeah.
Go, you motherfucker.
It's to the point now you almost have to have at least 2 different banks.
There we go.
I got 2 banks and I just keep the other one as a backup.
No, that's a 400 volume chart.
Bama, last time I called my bank and talked to him, I cussed at him till the lady hung up on me.
Let's go down to a normal size. And just do normal stuff.
Everybody says you
Put the
shouldn't.
aggravation behind me.
Everyone says you shouldn't talk to your bank like that, but like it heals the soul a little bit. Wife's like, you feel better? I'm like, yes, actually I do. Telling you, it just does something. It heals the soul.
Just because they're on the phone doesn't mean they aren't human.
You know what we was arguing about, Mike? We was arguing about my name.
Yeah, they were telling you had a different name.
They're telling me I wasn't pronouncing it right or some shit like that. I'm like, lady, it's my name. I'll say it or pronounce it. I'll spell it however the fuck I want. You leave me alone.
Okay, a 2 lot here.
Exactly, Bama, exactly. If they're ruining my day, I want to ruin their day. I don't care about their policies. What about my policy? What makes their policy any better than mine? All I did was give them a courtesy call that I was leaving my own town. Like, I have to call the bank, get permission to leave town.
6 to 2. Oh, that's night button. We're trading lower. We're going to be breaking the pre-market lows. There we go. Off and we wick it and go back up.
I can't do anything. This don't work. This don't work. Can I even do a paper trade? I'm terrible at paper. Mike, I'm terrible at paper trading.
Oh, yeah? Well,
I don't take my stops. Like, fuck it, I'll just hold it. I was trading in the car yesterday on TradingView. It was horrible. I don't know how Woodchip does it. Woodchip, I don't know how you trade on the phone, man.
It's easy.
Bama, find you a bank that has a money market fund that pays you like 4% interest on your money. Instead of you paying them, let them pay you.
Okay, let's see. What are we at? 34. Then we get down to the 27s.
That's paper trading. So I logged in yesterday.
Or
It was
did I sell near the low again?
logged into my live account.
Push lower. Push lower.
Try paper trade, see what shows up.
Nope.
Yeah, at least it showed up, I guess. Waiting on Bullinox to message me back if they ever decide to.
Don't like the short. I got kind of short, quasi short. Maybe I should be focusing on the shorts.
Yep, no messages so far. You trading over there, Mike?
Say that again?
What are you trading?
I am trading NQ.
1 minute chart?
400 volume chart right now. I did say I need to be patient, but I'm not being patient actually. I'm not waiting for my signals. I'm trying to catch every little move and yeah, you know what? It's amazing how often we just poke through the pre-market. You know, do you guys see the 1 minute chart? Yeah, that's the pre-market range is that blue box. Yeah, and I'm just saying it's crazy how many times we poke through it and then we reverse. I've been noticing that quite often now that I'm tracking the 6 to 9:30 range. I'm long ES. What's ES and NQ doing? Oh wow, ES is quite a bit stronger, right, than NQ.
Yep.
And,
Look, NQ wants to go short.
Dow's taking off. Woo! Sparky got lost. Yeah. What's the spread? 15.25. It's pretty erratic for in the range. 25 points. That's why ATR is 25. Psh. What do you want? You want cookies? 9:44. What do we got today?
Chaos.
Where's my news? It's on the other thing, I guess. I think we have some. What day is it today? Today's Wednesday, eh?
Hey?
Hey?
I don't see anything. I see some earnings calls, some Fed speak in the afternoon.
Let me just change to, this was the chart I was using.
Nothing of importance.
Wednesday.
Don't look like anything all week.
Just a bunch of speeches. Yeah, just a bunch of speeches. 12:10, 12:30, 1 and 2 o'clock. Hmm. Big swings in both directions, eh? 40 points up, 40 points down, 50 points up, 50 points down.
I was watching some videos yesterday, and apparently a lot of people's having a hard time.
752, 980. We opened up about 200, 250 points higher. Yeah, I've heard that also. I think it's a little tougher with this volatility.
Maybe I missed a good couple days, huh? Picked a good day to miss. Every night at 12, I losing my mind.
Oh, yeah, is that song playing? What are you talking about? It's not playing. Is it? Lo-fi? No, the lo-fi is off every night at 12. How do you hear it? You can't hear it.
Is that a song?
Yeah, well, that's the lyrics from a song. But I'm not playing any music now. The only thing I got is you and
He said I always hear it. Playing in his head, man.
in his mind, yeah. Oh, there was a
What
dump.
was that?
I don't know. I didn't do it.
It was like a 40-point drop. It's like bam.
Mm.
How are y'all trading this? Bam, are you trading this? It just goes down and jumps back. It's like 30 points is nothing right now.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all either making good money or losing good money. Bama said no. Wood Chip, how you getting a 10-point stop loss in this market? You already in? Guess so.
Maybe he means 10 points in the ES.
Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah. I should have picked up on that, seeing the numbers.
Mm.
It's all right. I've been gone a few days. Paper if it comes down. That's all I can do is paper. I haven't traded paper on TradingView in a while, but it sucks. Like everyone always tells people, paper trade on TradingView. Man, it sucks. Your order fills are horrible.
Really?
Didn't used to be like that.
I'm surprised. Take the overnight lows. Let's
Full
go
port
look at
long
where
right
the
here.
Overnight lows are.
Emma said, yeah, it's really bad.
Still a little bit of waste, cold. Just saying.
It's weird that a paper account would give you bad fills. Everyone always says, oh, paper, you get the best fills. No wonder you're doing good. Not me.
Hmm.
Ooh.
8-6.
Like I seen this video the other day, and this guy was talking about he's been trading for 20 years.
Mm-hmm.
This is the worst market crash he's ever seen.
Really? This wasn't even a market crash.
Aren't we still at the high?
I know. Well, really we are now. I mean, we did go down a little bit, but sounds like my neighbor when he came to me and said, why? Good morning, Skeletor. Why are the markets going down all the time? I said, what the market's going down? Look at the index. Yeah, but my stocks are going down. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
You still see all-time high in my chart. What are they talking about? Worst market crash ever. What are all these people going to do when we actually get back into some real volatility? Skeletor, I'm late today. Skeletor, you haven't missed anything but a bunch of bad price action. I can't even trade because my Ninja Trader won't work.
Hey.
But hey, I showed up. Oh, and I'm sick. I might be coughing and sneezing. You can see along here. I wouldn't want to take the drawdown, but we could try it on a paper account, right?
Yeah, so view up. Whoa,
Look, I pressed the button. It wouldn't even give me the trade.
Gonna fall on my sword here.
Do I press the button again? Now you give me the trade? Freaking a minute later? Like it took me almost a minute to get filled.
Well, that's like what happened before with me in the beginning with Ninja Trader. I think it was more than a minute, actually.
Now I can't get out of the trade. Alright, this is ridiculous. Guys, I can't even paper trade. Hope everybody else
There's no
stays.
paper trading on Ninja with the Blinnox on the sim. Just to
It'll I don't know. It's just weird.
man, it's almost 10. See if they answered you.
I wasn't even looking at that chart down there. Should have took it off, I guess. Can't be accurate.
That's not funny. I'm laughing, but that's not funny. We all go through periods of belief and disbelief. Yeah, that's what I said. I asked Joker a couple times how he's doing. And, you know, even before an answer, I said, you know what? We're all working on our game. We're all always working on our game.
Seems like lately I'm always working on trying to get a platform to work. Lately that platform has been Ninja Trader.
Check your Discord. Yeah, after I'm trading now. You know what happens if I check my Discord? All the winning trades will appear.
Nope, no message from Bullinox.
Let's take a little trade here.
They like Bullinox, but let's be honest, their support team isn't all that great.
No, I disagree with Chip. I don't think that's gambler mindset. I think that's not wanting to lose my focus right now because we're in the opening. This is my time of day. If I give it up, I'm left with the lunchtime trading.
Fear of missing out.
Nope. That's chasing. Different again. Come on, film me.
Well, they say there's always another trade. Next
There
5
is.
seconds. Check your
There
Discord.
There is. It'll take 5 seconds to check my Discord. Okay, let's see.
Wood chip, I think he's looking for a trade right here.
Do you know how you got 5 messages? What 5 seconds? You think I can go through 5 messages in 5 seconds? Okay. Slave to be Sam on my new funded. Hey, way to go. I'll join you a bit if you want this morning. Otherwise, I'll be there in chat. 8:40. Oh, that was at 8:45. Wow, I didn't see that. Yeah, give me a little bit. We'll do that. We'll open up the room. Give me a little bit though.
Price jumping again?
Oh, funny guy. Funny guy. Wow, big move on fucking Dow.
Good.
Hmm?
Be good.
Too late.
Getting in trouble?
Yeah, I gotta go back to, you didn't see the last message right now. Oh, he's sending me back there again. Okay, the last message. This is the last one. I'll join you a bit. Well, there's 2 charts. You want me to start analyzing charts now? A 3 lot up 88.50, a 1 lot up 76. I don't even know how this platform works. I don't know if those are take profits, sell stop. I don't know where price is. There's like a whole bunch of lines. I can't figure out these trading view charts. Okay, your long one on the chart on the left, and that's your sell stops with the sell limit at the big target. Wow, if that goes, that would be crazy. I hope you catch that one on the left.
I don't think it's fair. Y'all get the trade and I don't. Just saying, just putting in my complaint.
I don't even know which account I'm on. Hold on, let me look. Okay.
Might take this local high right here. Nope. Was that the 25.024?
Let me see. Well, I had a theory we're going to run the high of 25.026, yeah, and then 25.044.
Bama, I'm so confused. Bama, what we confused about? Y'all are pushing up and my chart's melting. Mike, you on the right chart?
I am. Depends on what instrument you think I should be on.
Bama, Emma, what
I'm
instrument
on
are you on?
NQ. I'm on NQ, and I think I'm trading NQ. So, yeah.
Well, yes, is pushing up also. So everything I see is pushing up. Emma, you on the right instrument?
I'm on MNQ. Is that the right instrument? You tell me.
The Tiny Violin Mad Tears.
What I am going to go do is take the instrument of choice, the tiny violin. Give me that 12. I should play it, eh? Give me a second, guys. And when I come back, you want to go into the public room, Omnius?
Okay, if you want to.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so go there. I'll be there in a sec. Let me disconnect.
Yeah, man, my chart's going straight up. Ruin, good morning. Yeah, bam, I got Quan Tower, Trading View, and what does work of Ninja Trader all showing the same price, so looks to be accurate. This room smells better. Does smell better. I think there's better music too, but that's a matter of opinion. What song we're listening to? I don't know that one. That song might suck. Downgraded Trading View. Yeah, I was thinking about downgrading it also. I think I'm gonna let my subscription run out. Check that Discord. Yeah, wood chip. I'm heading that way, just doing a few things. Where? I don't see you, wood chip. Wood chip, did you check the Discord? Did he say he wanted to go to the private? He said something about switching rooms and it ran off. Who does that? Might not have your real Discord. Oh, I'm in Mike's Discord. We put the video through Discord. I can't really change rooms, because then it'll turn the video off. I have to check it on my phone. Discord, where is it? Y'all in Discord live. Yeah, right now we're in a private room. I think they was talking about going into a public room. Yeah. Wood chip, that's your trade you took? Trading View? I don't know how you trading on Trading View. I tried to take a paper trade. I couldn't even get it to hardly work. Took like a minute to get filled. It's a paper trade, but it is live data. I actually pay for the data on TradingView. You pay as well? Well, I hope your data's doing better than mine. Although it is paper trading, so maybe that's it. So it does now if I take a buy. That one went right away. Y'all want to go over to the public room? Features, floors, Discord. We got this one. Look at that one. Camera. I got camera. You got camera? We have sound. Yeah, turn your mic on.
Me?
Yeah,
Me?
you're on now. Okay.
My mic is on. It's not working though.
Why not?
I don't know. Oh, there we go. Now I'm getting some.
Hey, what's up?
I gotta change this. You know what? I'm gonna open up another one. Never works. Wow, nice move up in NQ. It's a good thing I'm doing this, otherwise I would chase beta 2. Which one do we have?
Going
there?
to the moon now, isn't it?
Yep.
All right. Who we got? Bama wood chip. Skeletor with where's Ruin at? Ruin, you going in the Discord? Oh,
Yeah, I hear you. Oh, there we go.
I don't see Ruin.
That's working.
Maybe he's busy.
Wow, big move up. Yeah, I did. I thought that also right off the beginning. And bias. Got caught with a bias.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Rename. Let's call this one public. Really?
What you renaming?
I know sound is on. I just don't know if.
Jose,
it
good
is
morning.
not on.
Everybody coming through? I hear noises. I don't hear people talking.
Okay, cameras now. Next. Cam Discord. Let me see. Hey, there we go. That was easy enough.
So
Looks
check
good,
this out.
right?
You know the 20 pip challenge. I started with $20. I'm at 126. 6 straight wins. Very stressful, this challenge. Not to lose. I don't know the challenge, but you got 6 straight wins. That's awesome. There's Ruin. Ruin, good
Hi,
morning.
guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Hey, what's up?
There we go.
Good.
How's the trading going for everybody?
Green.
Broke over previous day's high. Wow, what a rocket move off VWAP.
Yeah, I just sat in front of the charts. First time now. I was away a bit on vacation.
Well, I just got back myself.
Nice. Hi, Mike.
Hey, how are you, Ron?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
I get back from vacation. My Ninja Trader don't work. I can't even take no trades. Don't even have the option to refresh it.
I wonder why do you have so many problems with Ninja Trader this past time? Because I mean, with you and with Mike, it reset for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're making too many changes.
Yeah, I think a lot of them are making changes, and sometimes you get corrupt data.
Okay.
Or they're abandoning the prop firms because they have their own project and they're not working on the back end for their connection with the prop firms. That is a possibility.
Gotcha. Definitely. Is the prop firm launched yet? Do you know that one and of Tradeovate?
No, there's Tradeovate prop, but it's that's just what they said, or the way they explained it is just a platform for all the prop firms. It's like a specialized kind of like Platform X or Project X. It's a specialized platform for the prop firms, and they're calling it Tradeovate Prop or something like that.
Oh. Okay,
Jose.
so they don't start a prop firm. It's just a different platform for the prop firms.
For the prop firms, yeah.
Jose, you gotta see how many trades you can go without losing. Is that the competition?
I know someone that's on 275 consecutive winners already.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, have you seen it?
As long as you don't count the losers.
Yeah.
Who is that? You're talking about Lambo?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he doesn't use stop losses.
You don't need.
I agree.
I don't know.
I suppose I've been watching his stream for non-stop for quite a over a month now. Since you guys said join his stream, I've been watching it in the evening. Yeah.
And what's his TP on those no stop loss trades? Is it?
It's very close, Mike. That's why I'm saying have a look. You'll see what I'm saying.
He won't even talk to us anymore.
If you've got a lot to risk for a little bit of profit,
he
not
won't
to
even
diss anyone. That's his profit. That's his style of trading. But in my opinion, no risk management, because you can go down 500 to make 100, for instance.
He won't even talk to us anymore. We tried to talk to him, and I think he blocked both of us.
I never bring up. He always greets, and I greet, and he's a very nice guy. It's just he's got a very different style. I've been sitting and wondering, just like, what if this thing doesn't come through and you're in this downtrend? And he doesn't add.
He might have gotten caught on Friday. I'm surprised he didn't get caught on Friday.
I was away. I didn't see Friday's trades.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but it can become a bit scary sometimes. But he's got fully. He trusts in that it's gonna go that way. Mm-hmm. And the one thing he doesn't do is constantly add. Doesn't matter if it's gone down how much. He doesn't do that. He waits it out.
Yeah.
But yeah. I don't know. It's just different. But Mike, you scalp. You add in, and then the price literally turns. You don't trade on the higher time frames. When you add 95% of the times, as I saw when you're trading, it turns just around.
Yeah. Well, I keep my stop. I try to keep my. I mean, if I'm doing it right, I try to keep my stop pretty tight. But today I'm not doing it too good. Today I'm a little bit on tilt. What can you do? 88. I'm in at 85.75.
I'd be on tilt
88.
too if I could trade.
We're targeting 95. There's 90. 90. 2. 92, 93, 93.
Where is your TP? Because I'm watching your stream as well.
What
T-
is
T-
that?
TP on that.
TP's in the
It's
bathroom.
on the...
TP's in the bathroom.
Sorry, I thought it was on the right account. You didn't. I just took a trade. Yeah, you guys didn't see it. Okay, it should appear now. No, the TP on that trade was 95, but I got out a little earlier. The one that I just took.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it's better I trade the Bullinox accounts on my main screen, and the reason being is because the Bullinox I can copy, and I don't trust the Apex copier, so I have to trade them all individually. So I'm feeling rushed instead of being able to trade smaller. I'm feeling like I have to trade larger, and anyways, that's the mental game. I failed.
You don't mind me asking? I haven't been here for a couple of days. You found a trade copy and you mentioned the other day you want to look if you can change everything from Bullinox to Project X.
Yeah, I'm in
did
Project
you
X
go
now.
ahead with that? Oh, is it?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you. Oh, okay.
I actually had that as my main screen yesterday, the Project X screen. I hope I didn't delete the scene.
And
no,
are you
thank
happy
God I
with
didn't.
Project X?
Very happy with Project X.
Right, that's
Yeah,
good.
no, I
to
really
know.
like it.
Well, I got a response from Bullinox, and it basically said it's not our issue.
Well,
Well, that was great.
Yeah.
So I guess they're not going to be any help.
What exactly is your problem? You can't get the chart reset history.
what the hell's your problem on
Like-
this?
What exactly is your problem, buddy?
What exactly is your
No,
problem?
I didn't mean it that way. But I
Like
just
poke the finger in the chest. What is your problem, buddy?
no.
That's
Yeah, I
funny.
just heard earlier you said you can't even reset the history, the chart history or anything with Ninja Trader.
All right, let me show you.
Because
So what I
maybe
can
I
do-
can help.
I need somebody to help. So I'm logged in. Whenever I first turn Ninja Trader on, it kind of logs in, but it won't really do anything. Like even if I take a paper trade, it'll kind of show it. Let's try a paper trade real quick. Okay, gotta do this one. One lot, short. So it kind of shows it, but it's not on the account board. Like it shows the orders, but it's there. Now it's not even showing it on that chart, is it? So it won't even go from one chart to the other. The chart on screen should have it on there. Now it don't. It's not even going from one to the other, I guess. It won't show it there. If I log out, disable my connection and disconnect and reconnect, it won't even go green. Let's try
And
that.
you're talking about the main chart on your screen now, because
All of them. Everything.
Oh.
So there I disconnect. Let's reconnect, see what it does. Yeah, so once again, now it's yellow. So you can see, you can't see because I'm on the chart, but so my chart today starts at 8:47. That's all the data I have. I have no data anything past 8:47 today. That's when I turned on Ninja Trader. If I turn it off and turn it back on, then all that data would be gone. It'll start it right now.
And even if you go to data series, if you say, let's say, like 10 days back, also
now,
same situation, or if you go to data
Same thing,
series
yeah.
on your option.
so right now this chart's 10 days back. If I switch to this other one, it's almost 100 days back. Also,
Yeah, I
if
just see you. Maybe I'm on the wrong. No, I'm on the right still.
I don't think I have it up there. Let me switch over.
Or is it in Discord or whatever?
No, I got
Maybe I can help.
pull it over here. That's all the chart I have. This is like a 100-day chart. You can see right there. It starts at it's on the stream.
Yeah, I'm looking at
Starts at 8:45. That's it. There's no data behind that.
Huh.
Then if I click on the chart and I go to reload historical data, I don't even have that option. It's grayed out.
What about a NinjaTrader update? Don't you think you need to do an update? And are you on the right contract?
Yeah, Omnius, don't you think you need to do an update?
I think that's the next thing I'm gonna try is the update.
Yeah.
I really don't like updates.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do a reinstall.
Mike's saying to do a whole reinstall, but I don't want to take the chance of losing my indicators and strategies and stuff that I have.
There's got to be a way to back them up. Like I said, just check with GPT.
Yeah, just double check with that, and then your documents folder in your computer with under your name. Just go under NinjaTrader and back that one up. Then you shouldn't lose anything.
Looks like Bullinox is telling me to Ninja Script Utilization Monitor. Never even heard of that.
Yeah, me neither.
Control panel, new Ninja Script output window. Didn't even see that.
2 minutes. I'll be back right now.
Ninja Script output. Right click within the output window, select Ninja Script Utilization Monitor. Allow it to run for 10 minutes.
Never even heard of that.
All right, time check, 10:23, so we need 10:33.
I am back.
Sparky, you're breaking my balls, Sparky. Seriously.
Sparky wants a cookie.
Every 5 minutes.
Chocolate salty balls.
It's very painful, let me tell you.
They said any indicator that takes over 1,000 milliseconds might be causing an issue.
Wow.
The ironic thing is the one that's taken 4,500 milliseconds right now is the indicator that tells me my lag time indicator. Kind of ironic, I think. I've had that indicator for many years. I don't know why it'd be causing an issue now. Now, GPT says it's something to do with the data. The data's not connecting properly. Alright, I'll be back just a second.
I'm getting hanging orders today. That's not really cool.
I don't even hear Woodchip talking. He's talking about going to the live channel. I ain't even heard him talk.
Yeah, he's quiet. He's talking, but his mic is a little quiet.
Is it?
Yeah. See? There he is, talking again. Watch, he turns green, but you can barely hear it. It's like his cell phone's cutting in and out.
Oh, okay.
See, he just said something again, and we just heard one word. I heard and that was it.
That's weird. I hear him clear. And
You hear him?
yeah,
No kidding.
What chip? I don't even see his thing turning green.
yeah, he was stating that it's a little crazy to go long at this price. So
I don't even see his thing turning green. I think y'all are crazy.
There. Now I heard him. He said, even though it might work. Yeah, okay. There you go.
Oh, I got him muted. No wonder I can't hear him. I got him muted. Why I got him muted? Who else I got muted?
Because you're a hater.
I don't mute anybody.
You're hating.
I guess so. What the hell?
Don't be hating.
I don't mute anybody. I was like, how come I don't hear you? You wanted to go to the Discord, but I don't know. All right, got that fixed.
Could get a short here, actually.
It's rigged. The whole thing's rigged.
Everything's rigged.
I'm just using the daily fair value gap. That's all I'm using.
Okay, Sparks. More cookies for you. You're gonna run out really fast. Why are you so hungry?
Sparky needs to take a shit. That's why.
Yeah. I don't know. He's got a new habit. He runs, he looks out the window, he comes back, he asks for cookies. He runs, he looks out the window, he comes back, he asks for cookies.
Hey, Mike, he's going to leave a steamer right there next to you in the cat box. Hot and fresh steamer.
Yeah.
And that'll be...
Not on the carpet, but he does.
When he drops that turd, that's the indication to go short. Got animal instincts. He knows the market. Come on. We're going short right now pretty soon. Like,
I don't know. All I saw since Friday's dump is money coming back in the markets.
Yeah.
everyone blaming the market move on Trump. That was cool.
Yeah. So on the 1 minute, it's probably, well, I know we're very high, very nice bull flag on the 1 minute breakout. Would be nice for a better retest.
I'm the king of bull flags.
Oh my!
Hey, Omnius.
I remember that. What do you? Well, what you've been? Oh, okay. You're going for it.
Take a short. I'm taking a short.
What
right
do we
here.
got? I don't know if I can call that a bull flag. Maybe a tiny little one on the 1 minute in the last 4 minutes. I would maybe call it that one.
Yeah, I'm talking about all the way from on your chart 0952 all the way up. Then you've got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 candles there at the top.
Yeah.
Taking
Yeah,
a
that
short.
whole part. Okay.
Wood chip is going short. You got
Yeah.
out of VS?
Yeah, I closed that for money. $1,400 on that
Wow.
ES trade. One mini. I switched to minis now. Just one
Yeah.
mini only. One only.
that's what I do.
That's what you do?
Yeah, I trade mini, one mini.
Nice. Yeah, I mean the stop is is pretty reasonable. It's like $300 to 500 on a 50K. So you take 2 trades, 3 trades a day, and you're good. If you lose on 2 trades, you can't take the 3rd trade. Like, you're done. You're cooked. And that's just for evals. It's not for fundeds. But yeah, I guess I'm in at what am I in at? 67, 62 on ES short, with a stop at 67, 71, 50. So basically 10 points. $500.
In ES, I thought you short the NAS.
No, because I mean, I guess you could.
Yep.
No, because NASDAQ still could push up a little more, but ES
Yeah.
has really accomplished everything it needed to do on the daily. So
Great.
but I could be wrong. Could give some back.
Of course, if but it's part of the game. Do you take a lot of exposure when you enter that short? Like, if I can ask your stop loss and that, how do you determine the size? Is it literally like resistance and risk to reward 1 to 2, or you trade it towards a fair value gap, or how do you do it?
What do I do?
Yeah.
Oh,
like if you say you like
so
the
I'm just using the daily chart and
Yeah.
the fair value gap, and it filled in, and it might break through it higher. I am risking right now, right? But
Of course.
let me go back. Daily. It's from October 9th to the Monday 13th of this week.
Yeah.
I'm using that, but it definitely can go to the highs at for ES 67.79. But I don't think it's going to do it today, because look at the expansion we already had, and
Yeah. Daily range already.
this is about
Pretty
the
much.
time of day. This is the time of day when you get a retrace or a correction. All the people jumping in long right here are gonna get screwed.
Yeah. FOMOing in.
I mean, that's what I'm thinking. Doesn't mean I could be really wrong, and lose $500. But
Okay, so that's what I was wondering. Do you have a TP, or do you just trial the
GP's in the
Right.
I
bathroom.
always have a
Going
stop.
down.
I have a stop and a TP always.
GP's in the bathroom.
Yeah, that's true.
So your R&R, if is it 1-to-1, or what? Where's your
It's
TP?
usually 2-to-1. Yeah, like
Oh, okay, great.
make 2 to
Alright.
get to risk 1. Yeah. So my
Yeah.
TP is 739, 6739. Right at the consolidation before the breakout. I'm thinking it's
Yeah.
coming back right there.
Yeah.
But it's got 2 fair value gaps on the 15-minute to get through to get there. But again, time of day, it definitely could do it. We didn't take out the overnight session at all. It's way below that. So you have two confluences there. And it's within the daily fair value gap, which the low is 67.11 on ES. And then usually when I'm in profit, I move my stop after it. If it can get through the first fair value gap, then I'll move my stop to the top of the fair value gap that it's about to violate.
Okay.
Yeah, so right now it's up $200, but I'm not going to move my stop yet until it violates that top fair value gap on the 15-minute.
ES and Dow are trading lower. I would almost say that this might be a good opportunity to go short right here, close to the top for NQ. It's not showing it's able to go higher, and the other two markets are falling. I'm gonna have fun with a one lot.
Yeah, that's good. I like that, Mike.
It's a counter trend trade. Not supposed to be doing these, but the other two are falling. Let's see what happens.
The more you do them, the more you.
Nah, I'm not interested in doing them, but I got to stop at 16. I'm in at 8 with the stop at 16. I'll even put in the stop. Buy stop 116. Let's see what we get.
Is that NQ?
Yeah. No, MNQ.
Yeah.
Micros.
We'll see if ES pulls. I don't like the way it's moving. I'm gonna put my stop in just a couple points, so I'll make $100 at 67.60. If it wants to come get me, it's probably gonna get me. I don't like this. These are dojis back to back on the 15-minute.
I'm having a look. I see what you say. Yeah. And the open candle at the moment, also it's just a little bit higher than the previous doji, or not doji, but the bottom. It's a little bit of a higher low on the 15-minute. But yeah, it's weeks.
Omnius, why don't you email Bullinox back and say, even though that it's not something that it's your issue or not your fault, have you heard of people having a similar issue? Do you know what they did to solve it? Is there any help you can offer me? Any advice, anything that you guys know that I can try?
Well, they took all that time to send me a message that basically said it's not their problem. So, it just says, I'll read the message. It says, no issues with rhythmic profile, whatever that account name is, which is weird because why that account? What about all the other accounts? So they just kind of picked one. Have been found. The market data is also enabled. Please try to check the rendering delay on NinjaTrader. Go to control panel. So that's what I did. The thing there. The NinjaTrader Utilization Monitor is a feature in NinjaTrader designed to help traders develop access to performance and resource consumption of their Ninja scripts, including indicator strategies and custom add-ons. It's recommended to let the monitor run for approximately 10 minutes to generate accurate data. Anything over basically 1,000 milliseconds or more could be causing issues, which is weird because the drawing tool on NinjaTrader, the ruler, is taking 10,000 milliseconds. I got a bunch of them that are over 1,000, and a lot of them's like the built-in indicators. I don't know. I don't think that's the issue. I think they're just kind of blowing me off. Trying to write NinjaTrader now. I'm having trouble. No historical data. I'm using Bullinox prop firm. They said the message, NinjaTrader support. I've cleared the data. I don't know. What else should I write?
I don't know. I don't have any suggestions.
Write them. I'll try to update the platform, see if that helps. I don't know. I've pretty much done everything I could find that they said do.
Okay, there it is. There's the first tap.
Yeah, I'm watching it as well.
Everything I was reading before was saying that I'm not getting data.
15 minute.
Sounds to me like a Bullinox issue.
Yeah, that's the problem with them the past for quite a while. I'll tell you the one that I have. Once I'm out of this trade, I'll just restart it and tell you, which they said for some reason, and it wasn't me, that all my indicators and stuff has also been copied to another my Google Cloud or whatever. I need to import it back. Otherwise, NinjaTrader can't focus properly for whatever reason. And I've never done that because every time I do an update with NinjaTrader, when they ask, there's something that doesn't work properly.
Exactly.
You know, I don't know what, but something is not working anymore, so I stopped doing
Exactly.
because I don't know how to fix them.
Yep, I completely agree. That's why I stopped using Ninja. I just like put everything through TradingView because it's like one platform, very easy, all your trades
Deal.
there. You don't have to switch.
Yeah.
Unless I'm
And
phone
what
trading.
about copy trading on TradingView? Do you have software that you can use on TradingView for copy trading, even if it's like just the one broker, or can you copy all the brokers on TradingView that allows TradingView?
I think TradingView allows copy trading, and I've never copy traded, so I don't know the answer.
Okay. Because TradingView and Project X is pretty much the same thing, apart from TradingView offers 10 times more. Right? Or am I wrong? I mean, you've got the same indicators, the basic
Thinkorswim?
No. Project X and
Yeah,
TradingView. It's
haven't-
very much the same interface.
It's licensed. Project X is licensed by TradingView.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
TradingView. It's essentially TradingView.
Exactly. All right. Great. So yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is maybe if there's a TradingView copier. Not talking about the ones that you can download for Telegram or those. I'm talking about a legitimate TradingView copy. Trading.
I got stopped. That's all right. I got 4 points on ES. That's 200.
Nice. And that's a beautiful dip when I look
was
at it
it.
now. On the
I mean, that was-
15
that was-
minutes.
I mean, we saw it tap into the first fair value gap on the 15 minute, and that was possibly it. And now it's going to go higher. But it doesn't mean I'm going to go long, but just saying.
Yeah, beautiful. Where it went up to now, because even though there's a little bit of that fair value gap open, I think it folded, to be honest.
Yeah, you
And
see that
over
first.
50%.
You see that
so-
first one, the first fair value gap on the 15-minute break structure. That's a breakaway gap. That doesn't need to get tapped at all. It can just stay open, and we can just go way higher now.
Yeah.
Hey, Ruin. Look at
Yes.
my stream. Look at the chart now. I turned NinjaTrader off, turned it back on.
Hang on.
That's all the data I got. What's on the screen there?
What are you on the 5-year chart?
Yeah. 2-minute chart. It's a 100-day chart. 96-day
man.
chart.
That thing is moving.
I get 1.5
quick, that
candles.
candle.
That's it. Like, man, that thing's really moving, isn't it? That's just one candle. Yeah, I don't know. I can't do anything.
What about your quant tower, just for interest sake? Your quant tower, that's perfect. Do you trade both on quant tower and NinjaTrader, your accounts?
Yes and no. The Quant Tower and the Trading View I have through AMP Futures, so I'm either trading a sim account or the live account.
Okay.
So that's not through prop firms. That's through actual futures company.
Yeah. You told me that MP or AP something. The one that's got a real account, not prop. firm.
Yeah. AMP Futures.
AMP. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
but the Ninja Traders through prop firm.
And is that data feed through Rhythmic or what?
Yeah, Rhythmic.
Did you do the setup yourself?
For what?
For Quant Tower, because I remember I did the Quant Tower 1 week free, and I actually got someone from Quant Tower to set up my Rhythmic with Bullanox, and he changed stuff in a Rhythmic, and when I opened up Ninja Trader, it was just not working anymore. And luckily, because he was helping me over that AnyDesk, but he was doing everything. Luckily, I recorded, so I can send you the recorder for the changes that was made. But luckily, I recorded it because the next day I just went and changed all the settings back to what they were and carried on with Ninja Trader. You know, at the end of the day, it's so damn risky to get someone else to quickly sort something out because he was going so fast. But it was someone from Quant Tower, and I recorded the video. So I cancelled my free trial because they give you full Quant Tower for 1 week if you just want to test it.
Yeah. But, I mean, then you got to continue paying for that. I think the full license is like $80-something.
It's very expensive. Just yeah. But I mean, with your
Is that a month or is that just one time?
Yeah, it's monthly.
It's
Yeah,
monthly.
monthly.
Yeah. No, I
But
get the full
Day-
version for free through AMP Futures.
But day traders as well. The other company, you and Mike Futures
Yeah,
Club.
supposedly you can get the full version through them.
Yeah. The guy also said to me, you get the full version if you select Quant Tower.
Yeah, I think you can
So
even
that
do
was
like
the idea.
I think you can do a $25 account and get a full version of Quant Tower.
Exactly. That's why
And
I
you pay
tested
once,
it.
crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
That's why I tested it, and then I realized that day traders is also not allowed in South Africa. That's why I cancelled it.
Oh yeah, you were saying that. That's so weird though.
Plenty of prop firms is not over here. Plenty. You know, we've got such a corrupt country. So that's why. But Bullanox is. And I think TraderFi, it's a green thing. I think with TraderFi you can also in South Africa. But that's about it. Top my funded futures.
Does anybody know if I go on Rhythmic Trader Pro, how do I see if I'm getting data on there? Can't you pull up a chart on Rhythmic Trader Pro?
Yeah,
You can.
Be able to.
Dashboard.
Yeah,
futures.
That's a good test.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that until he just said something about Rhythmic. Trade copier. They got trade copier?
Yeah, Rhythmic's got everything.
They trade copier.
But once again, try without. If you didn't select it with Bullanox, you won't be. Well, I've tried. Maybe I'm wrong, but you won't be able to see the charts and everything. You only get the data feed to Bullanox. So maybe with another prop, you'll be able to see everything on Rhythmic.
I don't see.
But if you tell Bullanox I want to trade through Rhythmic, then they'll do that. Same as with Project X, but then you move all your accounts there.
I think this is a long right here.
I don't see a way to open a chart.
We're just stuck
in
chop basically since 10 o'clock, going sideways. Within 30 points?
I don't think you can see a chart on Rhythmic. You can manage orders, but no. There's no
you can
chart.
do charts
You
unless
can.
it changed. I used to put charts up on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can. Yeah.
I clicked on charts, but I don't see a
Rhythmic
chart.
sucks. Rhythmic sucks for charts.
Yeah, rhythm. It's a shit.
Yeah. I just want to see if it's got data. This is too difficult.
I'll be back now. 1 moment.
It says symbol. I put in symbol. Now what? It ain't doing nothing.
I have no idea. You need to go to school. What?
Oh, it's dropping. We're dropping.
Attach window. Oh,
Cancel all orders.
Cancel all orders. Sell everything. Store
Oh
template.
no, I got scared. I bailed.
Show trade bar. So I can trade, but I can't get a chart. I didn't even know you could trade on Rhythmic.
Going back to the daily fair value gap. Yes or no?
I can't do this. It's too much work. Anybody know another way to see if Rhythmic's getting data?
Just get quotes. But you want to see if you're getting back data. Were quotes coming across on your screen?
Yeah, I was getting the top of the book data. That was it.
Mm.
It even says market data trade history, but there's nothing on there.
It's still long. So long. Bob Seeger, you're still the one.
I don't know. It might be a Rhythmic issue. I don't know if I'm getting data.
NQ's about to bounce.
ES is still slowly dipping.
We got 6 people in chat. Who's the other two?
Talking about on Discord?
Bama and Skeletor. Ruan, Woodchip.
Mm-hmm.
Bama is lighting up green like he's talking, but I don't hear him.
You didn't meet him, did you?
No, I don't ever do that to anyone. I'm not a censorist.
I know, me neither. Normally it's...
Is that a real word?
I'm not talking.
Oh, there he goes. He warbled. Sounded like a little underwater, but
It's out to say he's not talking.
it worked. Yeah, that's almost like when someone calls you to tell you that they're going to call you. I've gotten those calls. Yeah.
I bet Bama has a bunch of cats in there. They're just meowing in the background, lighting up his channel.
I don't like animals.
Oh, there he is. I don't like animals.
Which reminds me,
I just don't care for them.
Omnius, I really think you should get a cat because one of the pleasures of having a cat is every 2 days or every day when you get down on your knees to clean the litter. I don't think you should miss out on that. Oh, you're back.
Do you do the tidy box or whatever where they pick it up for you?
No, I do it myself.
No, I mean, like, you put it in a box and then they pick it up at your doorstep.
No, I just throw in the garbage. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's a California thing, I guess.
Really?
The
Never even heard of
people,
that.
the people we went to see had cats, and I don't think it was convincing me to get cats.
If I had a cat again, I would declaw it if it's an indoor cat.
Really? I don't think you're allowed anymore. Anywhere. My
You
cat's
know,
declawed, but you're not allowed anymore. It's against the law over here, so a vet won't do it.
you're also not allowed to drive in the carpool lane when it's just you by yourself, but I do it.
Yeah, well,
If they stop you, tell them that your friend's there is just imaginary.
I don't know how to break the news to my cat and say, okay, give me your paws. I got an axe.
I would ask the cop if imaginary friends are excluded.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, wasn't an unpleasant experience from my perspective. I mean, it was very clean the way it was done. There wasn't like, external bleeding or anything. He did it with a laser.
Handshake, AES.
But they say it's traumatic for the cat. It's like cutting off half your finger. So I don't know. I'm not a cat, and a cat can't tell me.
Oh, wait. It's almost a handshake on ES. Not quite.
What do you mean handshake?
The
when
wick
you-
to wick. Wick to wick. On the 15
On the-
minute.
Oh, okay. All right.
So it needs to wick. It needs to wick and agree on price at 67.50. It almost did it, but it's
Looks
even
like
stronger.
pulling
It's even
back.
stronger than that. So there's no handshake. Agreement on price. That's all it is.
Okay.
Because you got that giant bullish candle
Yeah.
that we're trying to retrace, but it's not doing it very well. Oh wait, is that the handshake? Did it do it? What's the low? The low is 67.50.25, and the high of the other wick is 67.50. So it missed it by 25 cents. Kind of splitting hairs with that, but it's right there.
Yeah.
Right there to go long, and it's gonna go long for 67.95. But we are on the hour. You gotta watch the clock. We got 2 minutes. Minute and a half.
And then Mike, are you? Yeah.
I'm here. Yep.
Yeah. I marked it out before. I can't remember who said it, but you also said, okay, from now on you're gonna watch. Let me just see. It's 11 at your time. Must be 5 at my time. You said start looking for the pullback or the big move between quarter past 11.
No, the
30
wood chip.
past.
Yeah, no, that's the wood chip big move. That's at 11:30.
That's okay. That's
Wood
one.
chip told me
Alright.
to look for a move at around 11:30, so I
Good.
created an alarm at 11:30 and I call it the wood chip big move.
Okay, great.
It's not
there does often seem to be a move around that time.
sure
I have to
does.
say.
Well, it's
It's
London close. London close at that time, so that
Okay.
Yeah, I marked that, or I also, I'm old school. I wrote it down with all my little pieces of paper over here. So
Yeah.
I'm also
Yeah, I got a bunch of cue cards on my desk too.
yeah.
Yeah, you know what other countries say about Americans? They're arrogant, and so the arrogant market always takes over at 11:30. That's my opinion. When London closes, London hates us. We hate them. Well, I don't know if we hate them. I don't hate them. But
Mike is Canadian. He's he's not.
Canadians
not
love
American.
everybody.
yeah, he's outside. He's
Exactly.
outside the loop. He's out. He's in the loophole.
No kidding, eh?
Right, let's-
Oh, here it is. This should be it. This
Well,
should
bounce
be-
upwards,
This,
do you
this should be
think?
the long. This is the long right here.
Yeah.
This is long.
Yes.
Long going long.
Right on time. Right on the hour.
It's
Why
the
does it do
fifth
it right
time
on
we
the
hit it.
hour? Why does it do it right on the hour? Oh, I got it wrong. It's "You're Still the Same" by Bob Seger. That's the song. That's the song I was
Same,
thinking of.
isn't it? You're still the one.
No, it's not "You're Still the One." I think you might say it in the song, but I think it's
You're still the one. Is Hall and Oates.
Yeah, they're great. I like the song "Sarah."
Hmm.
Smile, Sarah. Won't you smile a while for
Hey.
me, Sarah?
Go say hi, Sparky. Say hi.
Hello, Sparky.
Sparky, give us 3 meows. 3 meows.
Go down. Hmm.
You just have to squeeze your cat really hard and you'll get 3 meows out of him.
I get more than 3 meows out of him, though.
I did get a bite as well.
I get some smelly stuff.
Telling you, he's gonna drop the steamer on you.
Hmm.
I mean, the good
Yeah,
thing
that's
about
one
cats,
thing.
you know,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
good
go.
thing about cats versus dogs is the cats actually cover up their poop. The dogs just like lay it and leave it. And
Yeah, besides that, never an accident with the cat for 8 years. The dog, probably 5 times a year, if not more. The dog leaves you a gift somewhere on the stairs or something.
Don't cats just naturally spray around your house though? Mark their territory?
No,
Dogs
we did the
don't do that.
operation. Yeah, no, we
I
did the
got
operation, so
motherfucker,
Cat
there's
doesn't
the
do it.
handshake.
Wait,
There's
so
the
you'll
handshake.
you'll cut your cat's wiener off, but not their nails? Make it make sense.
I don't know if it's the wiener. I think it's the testicles.
Going lower.
You'll cut your cat's chocolate salty balls off, but not their fingernails?
Well, one has to do with overpopulation, so you're still allowed to do it. The other one has to do with cruelty to animals, I guess.
Absolutely despicable.
I think we're going to the next fair value.
Taking a
I think
short.
we're gonna dip into the next fair value gap. I think that's where we're heading. Wood chip? Is it wood chip or skeletal?
Yeah.
Are you targeting the next fair value gap on the 15?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just watching ES. NQ's shit. It's not moving.
Yeah,
at
now
all.
I'm talking about, yes, I've got MES open on mine on the 15-minute as well to have a look what you do. I
Yeah,
saw
this
when you
should
said
this
now
should
you got the
go.
handshake.
It should go back to like 7:30, 7:36 on ES, I think, or at least 7:39.
Okay, yeah, yeah. But that's also, correct me if I'm wrong, a fair value gap, right? That's one below this one that we just,
Yes, correct.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
that's it.
all right.
That's
It's a good
the
thing I
that's the
wasn't
sauce.
tracking the 15-minute retest because
Damn Ninja Trader got an AI agent. I literally clicked submit, and a minute later, I got a response.
a good response.
Oh no, I haven't read it yet. Sorry to hear you're experiencing issues with historical data on Ninja Trader 8. Since you're using a prop firm account with Bullinox,
It's
there's
not
a
our
few-
problem.
there's a few steps you. It was hey, Bullinox took 11 hours and gave me some bullshit. Ninja Trader took 1 minute, and at least it was an AI response, but at least it's better than theirs. Make sure you're connected. I gotta be connected. Reload historical data. I can't do that. Apparently, I didn't read my message too well. Clear historical data. Already did that. That didn't work either. Well, shit. I done did all those steps too, and nothing worked.
It should. I think it should go down, and then when we get the 11:30 clock hour, it's gonna go right back up. NQ is kind of pushing now. Maybe not. You got a good NASDAQ short, 40 points. You could take it with 1 micro. think I will take it. Take a short on NASDAQ right now. All right, I got 86 entry, 122 stop, target's 949.
Now we're really trading sideways. Hey. No, don't come here.
Omnius, you like the 2 minute?
2 minute short, yeah. Gives you a quicker time frame without all the chaos of the 1 minute.
Yeah, the 1 minute is... I hardly ever look at the 1 minute anymore. I just use the 15 minute pretty much.
Yeah, I don't really look at the 1 minute anymore either.
In my opinion, the 15 minute tells you everything you need to know. If you were locked to only having one time frame, and I've heard it from other reputable traders, they all say the 15 minute. So I started trading it and started doing a lot better. So that's what I'm doing now. Anything lower and I overtrade.
Yeah, I find the lower the more you overtrade. But the 2 minute seems to work pretty good. I like the 2 minute, the 5 minute, 15. And sometimes I'll look for my morning analysis. I'll look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour. But a lot of times you get a directional bias, and then you think, well, okay, well, it's going long or it's going short, and then it just does the opposite anyways.
Yeah, because the higher time frame is designed to be the higher time. It always wins, but it's on a longer time frame. And if you're trying to day trade and using a 5 minute or 3 minute or 2 minute, you're gonna lose because it's gonna emotionally wreck you. And then when the trade actually happens, you won't have the emotional capital to take it because you've already lost money.
Right, because you have an idea of what it's going to do, but the hourly time frame's so large that you're like, okay, well, this is going to go long. Well, sure, it's going to go long, but it's going to take everybody out first.
Yep. Halfway to target. Want 67.39. It's my buy limit on my sell from 67.49. My stop's at 67.47. I'm probably gonna get stopped right here, but that's 2 points on ES, which is $100 on one mini. But it's not really supposed to turn around right now. Time isn't right. My stop, I moved too quickly, I think. Oh, it's gonna get me right here. Yep, it got me. All right.
Trying to take a bunch of screenshots of my setups. Y'all keep hearing a dinging sound.
Yeah, you need to. Everybody needs to screenshot their. I mean, I do it all the time. You have to be honest with yourself. If you were wrong, then you were wrong, and why were you wrong? Study that instead of just passing on the golden trades that you made money on. Like every trader only talks about their wins.
Believe it or not, a lot of people don't like it when you talk about your losses. I used to do that before, and everybody was like hating the video and stuff. Like,
well, yeah, for streaming purposes, you only want to post your victories so that you get more hits, and people are like, "Oh my god, this guy knows it. Like he's got the crystal ball."
Yeah, it's it's stupid.
Definitely.
It's stupid that people think like that. It's like you should want like real, like what's really happening in the world, but everybody wants everything sugar coated. They want the dream life. They want the Lamborghinis and the mansions.
I think the social media has it created a complete misperception. I'm not talking about you guys, but I'm talking about all these guys showing their Lambos and everything. They created this massive misperception about trading. Everybody thinks it's literally go press a button and make money, and it's not.
Yeah, that's Miami for you. They're all out of Miami.
Funny thing is that most of those people saying all that stuff can't even trade. They're worse than all of us are. You know, it's like they put out a course. Yeah, I seen one guy just bought a Rolls Royce or something. And everyone's like, "Yeah, offer your course money."
No. Let's get it straight. They lease it or they rent it for the video shoot. They don't own the car. There's no way they do.
I don't know. Some of them people, what they're making off of those courses and affiliates, I mean, it's freaking crazy.
That is true. But yeah, I've seen how they expose YouTubers where they actually have at the airports, or not even at the airports, but there's a private jet. It's like cut up half, but it looks very fancy on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
So YouTubers can go and then they change the interior for this YouTuber. He sits there as if he's on his private jet.
That's funny.
He does his shoot and then he leaves. The next one comes in, they do theirs. It's a business.
But isn't it sad that that's what everybody looks for? You know, it's
but
like
that's what all the dumb people trust. You know,
everybody
they believe.
Everybody hates on those people for doing that stuff, but then you don't do that stuff, and nobody follows your videos. You don't get anywhere.
Exactly.
So it's almost like the business has become where you have to do stuff like that, and it's stupid.
I'm waiting for you and Mike flying your choppers and.
Oh my God, my mic was off. I didn't even know. All this time, I was talking and talking and talking.
The funny thing, Ruin, is YouTube hates us. They won't promote our streams. They won't promote our videos. And it's almost like you have to put out videos like that, or YouTube won't push your videos.
So they're fighting against it because you can't get thousands of followers to push money for them.
In the past month, there's been like 10 million videos about 6-7, and it's like they'll promote that like crazy. Mike, you make a video, you say 6-7, act like you're playing with some tits. Golden.
Now you have to say 6-9.
Yeah, I was telling like a teenager the other day. They're like, "Y'all don't even know what 6-7 is." I'm like, "Fuck y'all! Back in my day, it was 69." Like, I don't want to brag, but our 69 was cooler than your 6-7. Like, y'all got cheated. They're like, "What's 6-9?" I'm like, "All right, never mind."
Your channel will get burned. They will completely wipe you off YouTube if you explain that.
Yeah, Ruin, it's crazy. I I got a nephew. He's like 10 years old. He posts Fortnite videos and he'll get like 10,000 views off a freaking 30-second Fortnite video.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're definitely short here.
YouTube picks and chooses what they push. When it comes to finance channels, they're only going to push certain channels, and the rest of them they pick their winners and losers.
Yeah.
And if you're not pushing all the hype, if you're not pushing the Lambo lifestyle, and you're not pushing the jets and the mansions, then they won't push your channel.
For you guys, for you and Mike to think of, maybe, right, is to connect both of your channels to one Kick channel. I saw some of the other people are starting to do that. With Kick, there's a 0 delay. So you can have your YouTube channel and you send you do your stream, let's say for 2 hours over here on YouTube, and then all your followers go over to Kick. Then
I don't
you
even
carry
know.
on over there.
Hold on. Let's back up. So I don't even know what Kick is.
They're the
Okay,
ones that
Kick
make
is
Zip Fizz.
also. Yeah, no, you know the guy that I talked about in the past, the Rips.
Rips?
So with his, yeah,
Oh yeah, Rips. Market Clubhouse.
Mhm.
Market Clubhouse. Yeah, so he started doing that a few months ago or so. Now, with the way he trades, right? If you decide to follow his trades, then you can't do it on YouTube, because by the time he's out of his trade, you enter
please
with
don't.
what you see.
You,
So with
you,
Kick,
you really shouldn't be taking anybody's trades.
I know.
I mean,
I
really,
agree.
I don't worry about people taking my trade anyways. Most of my trades are under 30 seconds. Try to follow my trades, you're going to lose almost 100% guarantee.
I agree. But the people that's going to follow you is under the impression that that's what they can do. Right?
That's another
All the new
thing.
people
That's another
to
thing that
trading,
hurts
they
the
think they're
stream.
gonna-
Everybody likes the longer trades so that they can copy.
Exactly.
Me and Mike gonna start putting on some ghost trades or something. Just let them run for hours so everybody can copy nothing.
Yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to mention it.
Yeah.
With Kick.
So what is
I
Kick?
never knew Kick.
Kick's like a
I never
YouTube?
knew Kick. Yeah. It's the same. Well, I think it started off as a. Well, it's actually. I think it's American. It started off as like a WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Talking, chatting channel, and then they started doing the live streams like YouTube. It's free and 0 delay. Maybe like a quarter of a second. So you'll see now it's going to be the new thing that streamers on YouTube, they get their followers on YouTube, and then they'll stream like you guys say for 2 hours, and after that they say we're going to Kick. Right? So, and that's how they build up. I don't know if Kick pays you or not, like YouTube. I'm not sure about that, but there's 0 delay.
I don't know. They say TikTok pays pretty well. I posted a bunch of I posted a bunch of videos on trading months ago on TikTok and like 0 views.
Yeah, the thing is, TikTok is starting to block all trading videos. They completely. There's so many people from TikTok moving to YouTube because TikTok is completely because of all the scamming. TikTok is starting to stop all the trading, all of that live.
That's what they keep saying. TikTok and YouTube, they're like false and misleading content. It's like, what are you talking about false and misleading? You see the chart just like I see the chart. You're looking at my chart.
Yeah.
I haven't made any claims. All I've ever said is don't follow our trades.
This is the 15-minute. This is the second 15-minute fair value gap.
I see it just bounced on it.
I don't think it's going to bounce. I think we're going down for the overnight lows.
Is your price at the moment 6742?
Yes.
So we're in the middle of the fair value gap, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I just wanted to make sure we see the same. Okay.
All right, I have a case number on my Ninja Trader. See what they say.
Need 2 minutes again. Be right back.
Can't believe that Bullinox was 0 help. They're like, nope, not our problem. We don't care.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even know if they could do anything, but you think somebody would have reached out and been like, hey, don't worry about it. We're going to try to help you figure something out.
Do y'all have Top Step accounts?
Top Step? No, I don't have a Top Step. You got Top Step?
No.
Nope. Never.
Never Top Step?
Their
I've tried
rules
Top
are
Step.
their rules are stupid. They got bad rules.
I feel like years ago they had like a lot of crazy rules. I feel like people used them, but then Apex came out and everybody switched to Apex. Then
Yeah,
Apex.
I don't like Apex either, but I'm still with them.
Well, Apex was good until they went crazy.
I mean, they had lots of platform issues. Resetting
I think my
accounts for
funded
people.
futures is the best.
My Funded Futures.
Yeah, I mean, I've never been able to even pass the challenge on Top Step, but I regularly pass it on my funded futures, and I don't trade any different. So
I tell you
there's
what,
something about Top Step I don't trust them.
a lot of people talk about My Funded Futures, say how much they like them. I mean,
And the payouts,
Yeah.
I'm talking about 20 minutes from the time you request it. It's in your bank account.
that's awesome right
Yeah.
there.
I've heard that.
I don't know. I think the daytraders.com, I think they're going to be a good firm. Supposedly, they're started by the same guy that started Apex. That guy that
That's
left
the one with
Apex.
the one-time fee.
Yeah.
I was gonna buy one yesterday, but I didn't like the only having $1,000 drawdown.
Was that the 25K?
No, that was on.
Oh, you're looking.
Maybe it was 1250.
You're looking
but
for
it
static
was-
drawdown, ain't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Let me.
That's pretty good for static draw. And I think Apex only gives you 600.
Yeah, see, that's why I don't like the static drawdown. Your target goes up, and your drawdown goes way down. It's less than half. Yeah, 1,000 drawdown, and you have to make 37.50. Yeah, I don't like static drawdown. I understand people don't like the way trailing drawdown works, but I feel like they just give you so much more to make up for that. But then in your case, Bama, with going for longer trades, then you have to worry about it coming back against you and
Yeah.
losing so much money on a winning trade. I don't know. Yeah, they might not be the best option if you're looking for static. Even a 25K, 750
I'm
drawdown.
probably going to do a static again. I'm going to do a static again fairly soon. Because all you got to do is get above that buffer, and then you're good. There's no trailing intraday.
Yeah, that's
There's
a
no
way to
trailing
look
at
at it.
all. It's just static. Like, that's the whole point.
That makes sense too. So basically, if you do the 50K,
It's almost like trading
you start with 50K.
real money.
So as long as you don't go down to 49, you're still good, right? It don't follow at all?
Nope.
I mean, that kind of is worth it then. So you go up $500, now you have $1,500.
But on Apex, it's 100K. Apex is a 100K account with 600 static drawdown.
That's the only static you can get?
So it entices you to want to go big to get to the target.
You're saying that's the only static account you can get?
I believe so. Yeah. Unless they changed it. I did. Yeah, I did 2 of them. One of them I got really.
I would definitely say check out day traders
close
then.
To passing, and then
because you can get a 25K static, and it's only a one-time fee for $30. That's a 750 drawdown. So then, yeah, if you make $500, well, then you have 1,250 drawdown. And their activation fee across every account is only $130. So you pass, you don't have that huge activation fee like you do on some of the Bullinox and the Apex. Bullinox is only really good if like a 50K account.
I've never done Bullinox.
And the only time I've ever messaged support at Day Traders, they message me back immediately. I don't know how good their support is, but that one time they wrote me back immediately.
It's more expensive, but I had an account with Perdia one time.
They never even heard of
They
them.
didn't give me any problems. They didn't give me any problems paying me out.
Maybe I have heard of Perdia. They do forex, right?
Mine was futures. They may do forex.
Oh, this is 8. There you go. 11:30. Mike.
Yeah,
Futures
I'm watching.
floor.
But it's okay. You can go with the mic. I'm not. I'm good with the name. I prefer it actually over Futures Floor. It's too long, Futures Floor. But what I was gonna say, I was talking to the guy Kevin or no Trader 2025 last night or whatever his name is, and he was saying that he was worried about payouts. I said, you know what? I don't think you need to be worried about payouts if they're in the small amounts. I think the people that make $80,000 in a week, those are the people that probably have a harder time with the firms. That's when the firm is going to put human resources onto figuring out how to not to pay people. Those are the people they're going to go after.
Well, there is a profit split with most firms, right?
Yeah.
They take 10% or whatever until. So it's not like they're losing money.
No, losing money they're not. And
here we go.
I don't know how they battle against people that are scamming the system. It's just, I would almost say, too easy to do. Especially with all the firms, you just go long in one and shorten the other.
For sure, an 11:30 move is the easiest move. Look at this.
Is that what you're talking about, Wood Chip?
Going for
11:30 move here.
Was it? Yeah, London lows maybe. What's it going for? It's going for 67.11 on ES and 24.940 on NASDAQ. but it's too late to enter.
This is the move I wanted earlier.
Yeah, I've got a gap there from.
I mean,
roughly-
arguably, it's not too late to enter because it's going to go more.
Let me ask you a question. Can I enter on my paper account?
Yes, it's still.
It didn't even laugh.
Yeah, I mean, no, it's too late. It's definitely now it's too late.
Well, too bad. You told me to enter. I'm up 100 paper dollars.
Yeah, you can definitely
You can
do that.
spend them in the futures floor store.
Yeah, deal yourself in.
The thing about paper trading is you have to really in your mind in real life. You have to get to that mind
What?
state.
You're breaking up. I can't hear you. What?
Otherwise, it's worthless to do. You're just going to be stroking your ego if you do a paper account like willy-nilly. Like, It doesn't matter at that point.
I agree with that.
The best of all is whenever you trade a paper account, you make a hell of a lot of money.
But
But as soon as you go to that real account,
I still made
everything
200.
just
Still made
turns south.
200 paper dollars.
Yeah.
Well, here's my options: trade my paper account, don't trade, or trade my real account. And I'm not trading my real account on this market, so it's either
Too
paper.
late. Yeah, it's too late.
Just copy your paper trading account to your real account. Maybe you'll jinx the system.
No, I actually tend to lose more on my paper accounts than the funded accounts.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because with the paper account, I always have the mindset I could just hold it a little bit longer, maybe add to it, and it'll come back. Terrible way of trading.
No, you don't. That's bad habits.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I don't do
Creating
it.
bad habits that'll translate into your.
I agree.
No, I mean just trade a paper account like it is your real. You have to get into the mindset that is your real account and trade it accordingly.
Yeah,
you have to do that, and it will help immensely. That's what I've been doing. That's why I paper trade for almost a year. You got to figure it out. Either you want to figure it out or you don't. And if you don't want to figure it out and you want to do some dumb shit, then go ahead and do dumb shit and never learn. But if you want to be honest with yourself, you got to be honest with yourself. Like, trade a paper account like it's your real account. Seriously, I'm telling you the truth. Like, that's what I've done. Like,
I agree with you.
I've gotten a
Unfortunately,
lot better because of it.
It's hard for me to trade the paper account on TradingView the way I would trade prop account on NinjaTrader. Because on NinjaTrader, I got stop loss, the ATM set up everything. Where on TradingView, you just get like a line. If that makes sense.
I don't exactly know what that means, but no, I don't know what that means, but that's okay. I mean, you can explain. I don't understand what you're saying.
I don't know how to explain.
You just get a line.
Can't you? Yeah, I think if I may, I think this line, what it means is a price line.
Right.
Maybe you can set up a ATR on TradingView.
Maybe.
Because if I'm right, when you enter your trade on NinjaTrader, everything is already set up. It's enter the trade and the outcome will be the outcome.
Also, most of the time I'm trading paper account on TradingView is on my phone. And that's terrible. I don't know how y'all trade on the phone.
Well, I guess you got to use just one chart.
If you have Yeah, I mean, if you have other things like indicators and stuff, it's way hard to trade on the phone because there's too much on the
Yeah.
screen. Like,
And then earlier I took a paper
going to a
trade.
4-inch screen from a 21.
Yeah. Earlier I took a paper trade on the computer there. It took almost a minute to fill the trade. Like, how do you trade like that?
I used to blow up a lot of accounts on my phone,
Yeah.
but now I trade with Footprint, so I can't even open a trade without looking at it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you don't
I
trade
used
on.
to use Footprint a lot.
You still trade on the phone or no?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
No.
Me?
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 Me.
Who are you talking to?
What's wrong with you?
You can
I'm
get
short right
Footprint on
now.
your phone.
I'm going short. Going for the
Going
6697 target
Take my paper trade again.
on ES.
What'd you say? 697. Oh, on ES. Well, that's not gonna work.
Whoa, nice.
6,697. Yeah. This is gonna flush hard, and it's part of the 1130 move.
I think we get stopped by the 5-minute moving average.
Which is the London close. Remind you, it's the London close. America's arrogant. They take over the market right at that time, always. You can back test it a million times and you'll see it. Not every day, but a lot of times. High probability is all I'm saying.
London closed.
And that's all
half hour.
we want.
Hey.
Yeah, I mean, much like
Anyone catch that?
ours at 4:30. Yeah.
All right, I'm taking another 100 paper dollars. Turns out I
'Cause they
can't
got
hold a
the
paper trade either.
30-minute after hours, like we do.
Y'all quit laughing at my paper trading.
Okay, so right now, what do we have? Lunch. We have lunch. Lunch. Regroup. Go to a higher time frame. Regroup. I think it's still going to drop. It's going to drop hard, I think. Like harder than it's already dropped.
All right, Philly.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be back in a minute.
66.72 from yesterday. But it's too late to enter. It'd be stupid to enter now. We already accomplished everything on the daily on both NASDAQ and ES for daily fair value gap. It filled it perfect. It overfilled it on ES. And probably Trump's talking right now. Who knows? Everyone's going to blame it on that. It's fine.
Well, there is supposed to be some talking today. I posted it before. Let's take a look again. Where is it? See?
Yeah.
Over
It's a
here.
bunch of Fed speak, I think.
What is it? Yeah, 12:10, 12:30. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. But they're all
It
medium
doesn't do
folder,
much.
not really considered red folder. So, you know, banking policy sometimes, and
So we want to get an entry at. Oh, it's not going to come back. This is one of those days where it just goes, I think. Yep, in the dust.
How's everybody's day been going so far? Everybody millionaires, or we're getting some more ramen noodles?
I'm a billionaire. No, I'm break even, to be quite honest.
Hey,
I'm
that's
$13 up.
That's almost the mindset you got to have, though, right? Like, go into it thinking, look, I'm a billionaire, man. How do I?
Yeah, but it doesn't always work out like that. If you feel like it, then how it plays out.
Nothing
right?
always works out.
That's true. It's true.
Unless you're that one guy and you win 260 trades in a row.
Yeah, no, for sure.
I mean, all you got to do is win 260 trades and lose 259, and you're good.
Or you lose, or you win 250 and you lose one and your account is wiped.
Exactly.
Here's what you do: you put your take profit 1 point away, and you put your stop loss 1,000 points away.
Exactly. Exactly.
I've tried it. I've tried it in desperation. I've tried it for sure. You got to go through all that. Everyone has to experience it.
Yeah, of course, I agree.
you know how many conversations I've had with people with martingale when they think they've discovered the Holy Grail. All I gotta do is
Oh,
no.
Double up.
and yeah,
Double up.
Martingale. Martingale is 1253. Is that Martingale? 1253.
Well, you can do any way you want. What you're doing there, no, 1, 2, 3, 5. You're talking going up by the Fibonacci sequence. I think that's what they call it. The Fib
There's different ways to do it.
7. Yeah, you can do, but you can do it so many different ways. Yeah, either way, any way
I think
you
Martingale is. Yeah.
do it, any way you do it, the death trade is always.
Mm-hmm.
Martingale started, I think, in the 1600s or whatever, that they started using it on gambling like roulette. You can go black or red, and every time you lose, you double up and you keep on, and then once you win, you're only one chip up.
Yeah, that's
So-
it. You're 1 unit up.
Yeah.
That's the
Only
original
one,
Martingale
yeah.
is doubling. Yeah, the original Martingale is doubling.
Yeah, then you're only
It's
one
doubling,
up.
but then it's also risk management at the same time.
When I first started trading, there were so many YouTube gurus that were doing that same strategy. And then when the market got volatile, they all disappeared. It's just funny to see.
I wonder why.
They all flew on their private jets to the Bahamas.
It's just funny to see that same thing coming back around and everybody buying into it again. It's like a few years later, and you got the whole all the rookies again that don't know any better, and they buy into all that shit. But what can you do?
Yeah, exactly.
Getting a good 15-minute break on ES.
Well, I gotta say, if I saw a title that's telling me 250 winning trades in a row, I'm thinking to myself also, I want to get in on that.
Yeah, it's the holy grail.
Do I need to start putting that in my title?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. Put 500.
The funny thing is when he started, he said his record was 47 or something, or 49.
Well, I saw him say one day that he can't tell his real record because most of them were taken off the stream. So it's supposedly way higher than it is.
Mm-hmm. I lost interest in that guy when he refused to talk to us, and then he started talking crap about every other YouTuber. And a bunch of those guys were helping him. And he turned around and talked shit about all of them.
He's literally doing exactly what Don Vo did. I know y'all said y'all didn't know who Don Vo was, but it's the exact same thing he's trading.
Then I was watching him one day, and he was like threatening the chat. He's like, I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not going to do anything until y'all get this many likes and somebody buys a course or something, or a eval or something. Like, dang, you strong arming your own chat? Who the hell wants to be a part of that community?
Yeah, true.
Hey guys, I'm gonna sit here. I'm not even gonna talk to y'all until we get like 20 likes on the stream.
What an asshole!
Like, dude, you're supposed to be building a community, and this is how you're treating your own community? Fuck off, man.
Listen to his fan in the background.
You got a long right here.
Then he tried to say like all the other YouTubers were trying to sabotage him, and man, this dude's freaking crazy. He's messed up in the head.
Okay, here's the message on this that I'm not sure if you're getting it because I was kicked out of Ninja Trader just now. Your documents folder appears to be synced with OneDrive. This might cause internet issues. We recommend settings document folder to a local directory for optimal performance. So I don't know if you get that. I've been getting this for the past 3 months, and I just said to me, I don't update Ninja Trader ever again because every time I update it, there's some sort of problem.
So that sounds like instead of having your document folder in your computer file, it sounds like you have it in your OneDrive. Sometimes OneDrive tries to push you to put everything into OneDrive.
Oh, really?
I would check and see. You should be able to go to let me see if I can find it real quick. So you go to your folder. I just did it 20 times, so I know how to do it now. Go to your C drive. Go to user. Go to your profile, and then you should be able to go, what was it, documents, Ninja Trader 8, and then you should see all your stuff there. So if you see it in OneDrive, OneDrive is a cloud drive. So that's what it's telling me.
I know, but I never moved anything. I just woke up the one day and I opened up and it said to me, here's an error. And this is what it is. And I said, no way I'm backing up anything, doing anything, because whenever I do, and I've got some experience with computers, I'm not completely stupid with it, and every time I do something on Ninja Trader, something else doesn't work.
Exactly.
Or it just resets everything. I still have my templates, but then I have to start my whole system from the start.
That's what I'm worried about. It's like, I got all kinds of strategies, bots, indicators set up. I don't want to lose them again. It's happened before. Put a lot of work into that stuff.
Exactly.
Good reversal here.
Get that. MES, just thinking.
On the hour. Watch the clock. Watch the clock. Not gonna lie. Watch the clock.
You think you're looking for pullback at 6?
Long.
Or for pullback long Oh well, not 6. I don't know what time you are. 6 is the close of the hour for me. 5 minutes.
I'm trying to get filled right here. Fucker.
To go long.
Okay. Yeah, I got filled 7:12:50 on ES.
There it goes.
Going for 7:35. I'll move my stop into profit. I'll only make $50, but that's okay.
To the moon.
Yep.
Ruin, I was telling somebody the other day to use the moon indicator for crypto.
Yeah.
They was laughing at me. I was like, hey, I talk to people that do
Okay,
it.
well, you also laughed at me. Everybody laughs at me. But it's okay.
I heard about it before. It wasn't my first time hearing about it. Maybe it was Mike that
It's
laughed
okay
at
if
you.
it works.
No.
Yeah.
You can joke. I made a joke. I didn't laugh at you. There's a big difference.
If you
No,
can see it and
Mike,
do it,
I'm
then
not
do it.
talking about Mike or you. You didn't laugh at me. I mean, like, Omnius as well. You guys were like, yeah.
Yeah. Everything is
South
everything is-
African coming from, he's looking at the stars and at the moon.
I'm like, man, you can have any you can have any strategy as long as you have a strategy.
you can make a joke about anything.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
And that's easy.
one of
That's
the
an easy
channels,
target. You have to admit, though, it's
That
an
is
easy
the
target.
most easy target. That is the most easy target, yeah.
Oh, stop for 100. That's fine.
Did you guys see this, the dump on Friday? The biggest dump in the crypto history ever.
Really?
Yeah.
I looked at
That's
Bitcoin.
why
It was 115. It didn't do anything. It went down like 7,000.
That's what I thought.
So where's this big dump?
I see all these videos about the world ending. Well, shit barely
yeah,
moved.
no, I've heard about the world ending as well. The altcoins, I mean, XRP was what, 250, it dropped to 114, and this is all in a question of 30 minutes.
Oh, so,
No way.
Dump happened.
so I'm looking at the
I'm
wrong.
kidding.
I'm looking at the wrong crypto.
Maybe if you look at Bitcoin, the drop, let me just have a look, dropped all the way down to
110.
$101,000. Was on Friday, yeah.
Is that bad?
101,000. Hey?
It was only 13%.
Yeah, easily, but I mean, like the altcoins, like your XRP, Ethereum, Solana, all of that,
Oh, you can buy Bitcoin on
very,
Apex.
very,
Wow.
very big dump. Yeah.
It's only Bitcoin's only
I just
12% off
bought-
the high.
I just bought long on Bitcoin on Apex. They let you do that. That's cool.
Yeah, Bitcoin or Solana. Oh wait, which one is this? Solana.
I'm still looking for
of-
Bitcoin at 60,000.
No.
I think
No?
most definitely it will get that next.
I think
year.
it'll get there.
Solana went 32,000. I think you will get next year. You might get Bitcoin at 70 and 60,000 with the bear market. I doubt that you'll see it now. I think the worst that can happen now with Bitcoin. How can I say? Not the worst, but bad case scenario 97, 98. I would look for a bounce at psychological level at 100,000.
I think if we get the crash next year, I think 69 is definitely in play.
I agree. I agree.
69 or 67?
Yeah, which one?
Hey.
That was funny. Way to throw it back, Mike.
No. Next year, definitely.
Bitcoin's a good play right now. Right now, actually. Long.
Yeah, for the next 3
Take
months.
Bitcoin long.
Yeah, for the next 3 months, in my opinion, if you go about on the cycles and how it works is we will go into altcoin season now. Bitcoin will start consolidating, and then you're looking at hundreds and hundreds of percents on the altcoins, of course.
Bitcoin does seem to have a
Bitcoin, if we
Bitcoin does seem to have a really good October.
It always has been. August is bad. September is bad. So people start accumulating the second week of September.
Yeah.
This week that we had was, you have that every time before this thing takes off. So this was the biggest one. I think the liquidations was $19 billion.
Looks like October. Looks like October is Bitcoin's best month, followed by February. Yeah, October and February.
Yeah, so if you look back recently, then we are in the bull market of 3 years. So the next year it might be good, but that's the first year of the bear market. Bear market lasts for 1 year. So what's happening now is this is the activation, in my opinion, of the serious up explosion.
In 2017, Bitcoin went up 1,300%.
Yes. So now what we're going to see is, I think, roughly a minimum from $150,000 to $200,000 for Bitcoin this year. Altcoins, obviously, because they're smaller percentages and what have you. If you take any one of the top 100 altcoins, you at least make 100% on your money till the end of the bull market.
The U.S. government seized $36 billion in Bitcoin.
Yeah, but that was the whole thing. Trump tweeted.
Who the hell did they steal that from?
Trump doesn't even know how to buy Bitcoin.
Lambo.
Trump doesn't even know how to buy Bitcoin. It's Barron.
They didn't buy it. They stole it.
Yeah, they stole it. They seized it. It's different.
No, it's not. It's the same thing. Look, if you take something that's not yours, you stole it.
It's a seizure. They did a seizure.
Where are you posting it? Because I can hear the messages coming in, but I don't know where to look.
What?
I thought you said look. And I hear the Discord going boop, 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 for messages. Is it you posting? I don't know.
No, not me. I'm just reading on TradingView where it says that they seized $36 billion in Bitcoin from a crypto scam. Mike calls it a seizure.
Are you on Discord?
Mike calls it a seizure. I call it theft.
Ruana, you're on Discord? I don't see you here.
Did you say something to me?
I am.
Ruana.
Is the window open?
AVA, yeah.
No, to message you. I don't see you. You're not here. You're not my friend. Sorry.
It's okay, so don't message me.
Why are you
I might be your friend.
No, there's people in the chat, so panic.
Why are you not my friend?
I don't know. I'm friends.
Are you done for the day?
With Omnius.
Oh, here it is. I found you.
Yeah, I'm not that hidden.
I found you. Oh, I sent you a friend request already.
Oh, did you? I don't know where to go and look. Okay, wait, new. Oh, there you are.
He might be antisocial like I am.
I am. I just go on Discord when I need to help some people.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, I see. Accept to mutual service. Oh, okay. Yeah, wave to which. Yeah, I used to use Discord a lot years ago when I was gaming. It was so fast. It didn't take any resources. Now it's eating up all my resources on my computer for some reason. It makes everything slow. Discord used to be like nothing. You didn't even feel it. But now if you open up Discord, that's why I'm running it on a different computer.
Hey, Ruin, be honest with me. Is my Shiba Inu ever going to come back?
Yeah, it will.
I think it
Yeah,
will. It definitely will one day.
He's a doubtful.
Yeah. No,
Oh.
it definitely will. It's built
Oh,
on
it
the
will?
Ethereum blockchain. It will. Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. I'm also well invested in Shiba Inu, and the next one that I think is gonna be the next Shiba Inu is Pepe. Pepe coin that I'm also well invested.
Man,
Shiba Inu in 3 years did something like 68 million%. So it has dropped down quite a lot. But if you look at Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, it's your only meme coins that has ever made it onto all the big exchanges and that. So Shiba Inu, yes, Elon Musk and those lot that is part of it has plans with it. It's, in my opinion, I think it's a bit of a sleeping giant. It's not going to go to zero. There's too much market.
I think I'm just going to hold what I got, and if it goes to the
as long
moon
as
one
it's
day.
not 50% of everything that you literally have, then I would say no, bro.
Oh, God, no.
Yeah. No. I've been XRP, Army, blah blah blah. And
I never hit it big with
pretty
crypto,
much-
but I didn't lose my head on crypto either.
Yeah.
I think I
No,
told
no,
y'all.
no, I understand.
I think I told y'all before how they got me with crypto. I was using Webull and had a bunch of crypto with
Webull?
them. Yeah,
What's Webull? Oh.
it's a trading platform.
Doesn't the name say it all? But okay, no.
Well,
Jokes aside.
I thought they were pretty decent when they first came out. They were like a Robinhood competitor, but they actually had charts and data and other stuff.
Okay. Okay.
But whenever they had that big crypto scam years ago, I think they got scared and they sold everybody's crypto out from under them.
The FTX.
So I had a bunch of crypto and they just sold it at like the worst possible price. And I didn't even know because I didn't keep up with it. So I go back to check it and I've only got where I had like 6 or 7 crypto positions. I was down to like 3. And they sold everything at the worst possible price. Then it all went to the moon. I would have made a bunch of money, but they fucked me over.
But didn't you get liquidated? Were
No.
you leveraged? Was
No.
it futures or was it just spot?
No, they quit carrying those symbols. So when they quit carrying them, they liquidated everybody.
I had to sell them.
They also split their app
We are
between
long.
stocks and crypto. So now they have just a crypto one.
Long.
Long?
Yeah,
Is this long dong again?
it is.
Ding-a-ling. Yeah, the thing is now on most crypto exchanges, you can trade stocks as well with your crypto, your USD stablecoin.
Oh, yeah.
They're starting because all of this is becoming now regulated and so on. You can actually go on your crypto exchange and trade S&P or the Nasdaq, or you can buy Tesla stock, whatever.
I think
Not
for me,
futures. Not
I'm just going to
futures.
stick with the Bitcoin. Maybe Ethereum. I got a little bit of Ethereum. I expected more out of that one, but what can you do, right?
Just wait with Ethereum. I think we're gonna see at least 7,000 this year in the next 2 months.
And then
600 more.
I got Shiba Inu, so I'm just going to stick with those.
I can't even get into my wallet with Shiba Inu from a year ago.
Do you have too many? Is it falling out once you try to log in?
Wallet's so
Or what?
big.
'Cause I know you buy millions, gazillions when you buy Shiba.
I guess right now might be a good time to buy.
Yeah, but
This is
why
pretty
can't you
good
get
long.
into the wallet?
I got stopped.
He said, why can't you get in your wallet?
I don't know the password.
It's like Omnius with nothing personal, but the other day with 2FA codes.
Yeah.
If you had that, no problem. If you had your 2FA code, and I'm
This is
sure
long.
Mike
This
will
is long right here. Go long, go long, go long.
on MES.
Almost, yeah, I've almost passed this account. It was at 48,000, which tells you that I overtraded overnight. And now it's at 52,300.
Wow. But you say go long now. Is it on the 15, you mean?
Yeah, always 15. That's all I trade now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you could have said there was a big hammer candle. You on NASDAQ or
Yeah.
ES?
He's on
Yes.
Oh, well, ES has a hammer candle also.
And I'm
Yeah.
long Bitcoin because I want to.
Because everyone's freaking out, so you buy it.
Yeah, it took the liquidity at the bottom, took the wicks, or it took the bodies on the 15-minute.
Oh, 15 minutes. I'm on a 10-day chart.
Yeah, for Bitcoin, it's 111,070 was the bottom that it needed to wick to go back up.
Please follow the steps below. I got a response. Please follow steps below. Hit window
It should
key.
rip.
Wait.
It's a Wednesday.
Yes. You don't think that we will go at least 50% to that wick that we dropped now before we might consider longing? 50%
We
of that
got
wick.
25. Well, we got 25% of it. Yeah, we got 25% of it, which is enough of a
Okay.
wick into the 15-minute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm with you.
So it's always a risk, right? But you got to manage your risk.
I understand it 100%. Just what I'm saying is just the idea. I mean, it can completely go
Wait,
fast.
is it a full moon?
Well,
Shit, I didn't even check.
no,
Is
bro,
it a full
not
moon?
yet. I'll tell you. I think next time I'll tell you guys.
Okay. All right. I'm kind of worried because it's not going in my favor.
If it's full moon, then stocks also has to follow because Bitcoin is following the stock market.
Correct.
Interesting, but yeah, it does.
Yeah, Bitcoin has more to push.
It never used to, but
Another 350 points up to 515 on Bitcoin. But it's heavy. It's definitely heavy. It's an H pattern if you follow pattern trading.
I do trade
It's an H
patterns, but
pattern.
I don't know what's a H pattern. Honestly, I only trade technical
Well,
analysis, but I don't know what's a H pattern.
Looks like an H.
Well, it looks like yeah, it looks like an H.
I kind of figured, but
I was just trying to clear things up,
Thanks,
clarify.
I know. You look at the 15-minute for Bitcoin, it's a H pattern, which should fail lower, but I'm playing it higher.
Okay, on Bitcoin, have a look, yeah. 15 minutes.
Okay.
On the 15 minute. I honestly, the thing is, I don't understand it. Where's the H? I can see a hidden shoulders in a way forming that will go and take the liquidity candle out at the bottom before we continue up. But how many candles back on the 15 minute are you talking about? Or can you share a screenshot?
Oh, yeah, I might be able to. Let me see.
Yeah, just somewhere on the chat
Um,
of the group then.
I don't know if I can do that. Let me see. Where are we?
I'll teach
In
you.
Omnius?
Features
No,
floor.
wait. Where are we?
Features
Oh,
floor.
we're in features. Sorry. How do I do this? It's not letting me. Hang on a second. I'm retarded.
I'm also on futures flow. I don't know where's the chat. Why? Right now, I'm not. I went to accept.
Does that work?
Yeah, just in futures flow. On the chat channel. I just heard you. Where are you now? Because I'm jumping around other channels. Live on
I think it
stream.
worked. Does it
I'm right
share
here.
Screen?
I'm right here. Where you at?
Screen?
Okay. Getting there.
Yeah, I see it. Looks like an H.
Where did he send it? Where must I?
Ruin, you got to
Which-
click on watch his stream. It's right here in the
Okay.
voice chat.
Which?
See it?
One moment. It's opening up.
Sharing his screen right here in the voice chat.
Yeah. Just one moment. There we go. I've got it. Yeah. Okay. The H. So where's the H?
You see it?
Hello? No, I don't. I see the screen, but I don't see the H.
It drew it on the screen.
Oh, okay. My bad. Small letter H. I see now in the red line. I'm looking for the capital letter. I see now. But that also higher time frame will be a double top. So how do you take the take profit and stop loss for that H? How do you
I take
you calculate the risk management on that?
Which, if wouldn't an H pattern be the bearish pattern?
Yeah, it's definitely bearish, and that's what everyone's hoping for. So I'm going against it.
Okay,
So I would assume, Ruin, I would assume what you're asking is you would take the break of the first leg of the H, and then take profit would be from the arch down to the first leg, doubled. I would assume that's how the technical way to trade it. Don't quote me on it though.
I hear what you're saying. They're exactly where he drew the wick left from the I'm talking about on the right hand side. Yeah, they were no, not that one where you drew the bottom of the H where you just did it roughly. No, on the left side. On the left side, there's a long wick.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah,
But do you
that
see-
one.
Yeah, do you see what that did? And that was in the morning session at 9:30.
It
And
just
so what did
yeah.
it take out? It took out the overnight. So do you
Yeah.
really think that it's gonna go lower? I mean, it could. It could. Granted, it
No,
could.
no,
I could
no.
be
I'm just
completely
asking
wrong.
how does the H pattern work? Because I know the
Well,
basics. Head and shoulders,
The
double
H pat-
top, and
that-
bottom.
yeah, the H pattern is designed to fail like this. It's meant to do this. But what is it gonna go for? Go back in history. It can go for here, equal lows. Right here. This is clean. This is really clean. It can definitely go for that. What is that? 109.
Yeah,
yeah.
that's a big move. Oh, it's Bitcoin. Yeah, it's a
But
pretty.
it gap filled. It gap filled right here. That's a gap fill. Solid.
Exactly. and then you've got
Longer
a gap.
time frame and shorter time frame is what you want to think about. Longer time frame and shorter time frame.
Yeah. Now
That's all.
you've got
That's all I'm doing. I could be wrong, like I said.
Yeah, but you, also you do have a gap further back. I don't know if you know about it. There is, and I don't think we will ever fill it, or we will go back to it. There's at $9,000, which is a few years back. Now, yeah, that gap, and then further back, there's another gap around. I think it's 90 something, around the 90 area. There's a CME gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, way back. Yeah, then you'll see there's a CME gap around the 90s to 100. There's another one, over there between the 90s and the 100K. And then the lowest one that Bitcoin has never filled is around $9,000, which maybe one day, but I don't think soon. Yeah. Maybe if you put it on the daily, you'll see the one I'm talking about, or 4 hour or something. Yeah. Yeah, go lower.
It's the daily.
Yeah.
That's
go
the
back.
same
I'm
circle
talking
on the
about.
15. Yeah.
I'm talking about maybe like a month or two back.
All it has to do is tap into that daily gap, and then it's good to go back up for this gap up here.
I agree. I agree. I'm also waiting for Joker to come into. I owe him an apology.
Oh, Joker.
Yeah, and I said I will, because he was saying that gap is the imbalance, and I said I've never heard it, but if it's correct, I will apologize. And he was right. It's called the volume imbalance. I went and did study on it, so I need to give him just for that terminology.
Yeah, exactly. A gap in price is an imbalance because it's a disagreement in price. That's why there's a gap, because people didn't agree on price and it opened lower or opened higher, right? So that's a gap, and that's a disagreement in price. And that's what sends the market the way it does, right? So
now they're exactly where you are at the moment, right? The candle, the black one, that one, and the one before. You see, the second one opened higher than the one before.
Let me see if I can delete this one. I don't know what this is. Okay.
You see the top of that last candle, the last black one that's open. You see it opened above the body of the previous candle. What do you call that? Because in retrospect, it should open exactly the same as the other body, right?
Exactly the same, but I call that price agreement, and it's actually bullish in my opinion, because it opened above the close and it filled the gap now. It's way low, and it filled this other gap that's way back in September that I circled, right?
That's the one. Yeah, that one.
So on today, at this moment, what does it really want to do now? It already accomplished everything back 2 weeks ago. It already did it. So do you really think it's going to go lower? I mean, it could, but look what happened here. We wicked below.
Yeah, I don't think
you know what I mean? It already took out liquidity here on September 2nd. And this one got taken by this at September 25th. It took out September 2nd. And this gap just got filled today. And usually when gaps fill, they don't fill fully. Especially large gaps. This is kind of a large gap. And you don't see any large gaps anywhere in this chart on a daily, do you? Except for the one I circled up here and this one down here.
No, the one that I was talking about is that one at the bottom that you were just now, the one in September. That's the one that I was talking about. Like, that one is not full or partially full. And the only one in Bitcoin history, otherwise, that's very, very, very in your face is I
Okay.
think just before 2017 at $9,000. That's still wide open.
All right, check this out. Check this out. I'm gonna erase all drawings that everyone is horrified by. I'm gonna erase all drawings. Okay, let's start over. This is the daily chart. Let's go to the daily. We go Fibonacci just for 50%. That's all we want. Is to see if. Oh, I gotta put my magnet back on. Okay. So the close was here. The open was there. And that's what we have, right? On a daily, right?
Yeah.
It's from the close, which is here, and the open. It's across a weekend, so that's not exactly reliable across a weekend, but you can use it.
Yeah,
but it's not-
because Bitcoin actually runs through the weekend, just not on the futures market.
I mean, it's all the same. Bitcoin is the exact same as the futures. It's actually Bitcoin runs around the clock versus futures, which does not. So you have gaps, 1 hour gap on futures, where you don't have
Exactly.
it on Bitcoin.
100%, I agree. 100%.
So then
I agree.
go forward. Now I'm on a 1 hour chart.
Yeah.
This is 1 hour. We have our 50%. I don't like this color. We'll put it orange, or yeah, orange, because it's different than the entries. So you had a tap at 50%, and then a breakthrough, but not past it. And look at the bodies. Look at the bodies here. So that circle point, I can find it again. This is how I find it right here. You take the last green candle right here. Check this out. Oh, whoops. I snapped it wrong. Oh, shit. Hang on a second. Sorry. Oh, let me use a rectangle.
No problem.
I'll use a rectangle. The last wick. I like to use the bodies, but you can use wicks.
Yeah, I
that.
understand all of that. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that right here. Boom, 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 boom. 50%.
Okay, I've got a question.
All these uncontested sell candles, and you're literally hitting them with the wicks. Like, exactly. You can do bodies. Check this out. Let's do bodies instead.
No, but you're.
You know what I mean? It's the same thing. That's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
fair value gap. That's the fair value gap right there. I mean, it's like.
That's where I've got a question now. Why did you take the top of that last green candle, and why did you not take the top of the market? Why don't you take that top?
Because you want
Why
the
did
break.
you-
You want the
Okay.
break of the move. So you see how this high, look at this. Where's my brush? You want the break of the high. This right here. Oh, I got it on the magnet. Sorry. Hang on. You want the break of this high right here, which it did right here. And a failure means that this open is very valid.
Of course.
This is where your trade is right there. That's your trade. That's your fucking trade right there. Over and over and over again. It happens. I can't even. I've already said too much. I think, but that is your trade.
He's like, I
That's your
said too
trade.
much.
Yeah, it's like in a
Man.
textbook.
You talking about reversal trading?
It's not a reversal. It's because we were okay. Go back to daily. Oh shit.
Okay, but just before you do that, can I interrupt quickly, right? Just because
Go ahead. Yeah.
just because you took, you look at the high, we had that massive drop, that black candle, the last one with a bigger wick, right? There you just put it on the body of that one. We had that massive drop. We only went up a little bit there where you drew the the red line at the top. Then we only went down a bit, we made, I don't want to say it's a double top because the neckline is not broken yet, because you took the bottom of that green
I see what you're
candle
talking
to
about.
make,
I know what
yeah,
you're
to
talking.
make,
I know exactly. You're talking about this.
no,
The
no,
neckline?
but no. Back
Oh,
back
okay.
there where your first red line was. We had that last massive dump. Just left of it. See the black candle? That the biggest one before your red line.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. We had that massive one. We went up, we came down, right?
Yeah, and you can check that too. You can do it like this.
Yeah, no.
Those
but
are important.
I'm getting to my question. So
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So that long wick went up. That then you drew your red line over there. Went down. We came up. Now you picked that green candle that was long before we made the doji and turned around downside and made it into a downturn. Why did you take that long wick? Let's say, for another example, there was 2 small candles over there. Or does the system work only with a long candle, which you put the 50% on where it went to bounce? Yeah, no.
Yeah, I mean you can split the hairs. You can do daily on the same idea right here, right? And
I
it's
get
still,
that, but I
right,
I want
so-
to understand the previous time frame.
Oh, sorry. What were we?
Yeah.
1 hour?
You go back. Yeah,
1
zoom
hour
in
is
a
almost the same as a
bit.
daily.
Yeah, zoom in a bit. That last green candle, why? You know where exactly where that square starts. You take it at the bottom of the green candle. That purple square of yours. Take it. You don't take it at the top of the chart. I would just like to understand. Go there by 12
Yeah,
p.m.
I don't because that's support and resistance. That's in every book that's written, and that's
Okay.
every retail trader.
Okay.
You
That
know,
answers,
it's the
that
Bible of
answers
every-
my question.
Yeah.
Yeah, that answers it.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I don't do that anymore. I used to. I used to, but I don't do that
Okay.
anymore.
Yeah.
This
Because
is it.
90% of the market does it. So
For me, this
you
is
just-
it.
Okay. That is amazing. Wow.
But you can also be wrong. But you want to be right in high percentage, like 60 to 65%, correct?
Yeah,
And
that's wonderful.
and consistent size. You can't change your size, otherwise it totally fucks with your ability to judge if you're consistent. You can't change your size. You got to do just one. If it's 1 mini, 3 micros, whatever it is, just don't ever change it.
Yeah,
and that's
stick
the
with-
only way you can be honest with yourself and teach yourself
I can't do the nightingale.
if you're actually doing things right, you know?
Yeah, you can't. Well, that's exactly what. Yeah, no, Omnius is he's taking you out now with a martingale.
Yeah, S&P looks like it's going to fall right now. I'm in a lose. That's okay.
I'm not a big fan of the nightingale strategy. I've seen too many people get ruined. What I do like is the second entry.
It's not Nightingale, it's Martingale.
Martingale, nightingale. Okay, same thing.
Same
It's
shit.
not nightingale. It's martingale.
Oh, we got a martingale.
Who the hell is Martin, anyways?
He's dating
Well,
Gail.
he's obviously a guy that likes people to lose money.
Why is he wearing a nightgown to bed? That's what I want to know.
If you take a second entry, you put it 75% to your stop loss. I bet you make money.
Oh, you think I should add?
On this trade? No, I'm not talking about this trade. I'm just talking about you're saying only add once to your trade or only take a consistent trade. a lot of trading strategies, if you take a second entry and you place it 75% of your stop loss, because a lot of times the market comes back to where people put their stop losses and then goes in your favor again.
Yeah, that's why my stop is below this breaker right here. Boom.
No, I'm not talking about this trade. I'm just talking about when you're talking about only taking one entry and sticking to it.
Oh yeah, that's absolutely what I do. I very, very, very rarely. Sometimes I will add, but I just like to see if I'm right or wrong so I can learn. That's it.
Mm-hmm. That's about where I am with trade now. I just want to gather the data. Just tell me what the data says. I'll go with that.
I mean, for this to overtake the wick on ES would be huge. And it could, because you got wick up, wick down.
Yeah, I think right now they're just taking everybody out. Went up, got all the bulls in, took all the bulls out, went down, getting all the bears in. Now it might push up, take all the bears.
I like 1230 for the reversal of the trend, usually. It's like near the end of lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you can get a decent push. We'll see what happens. I mean, that wick took out tons of liquidity, and the purple box is the daily for value gap, so it's important. And you can see how it did it yesterday. And this is a daily for a value gap from
like Friday or something.
Thursday. Yeah, Thursday to Tuesday or Monday. Sorry.
Huge one, yeah.
And sometimes I like to look at the daily and look at the shit.
To get your bias or what?
I like to look at the daily and think about it. Like, is this wick really gonna stay open on a daily? I mean, it could. We got the opposing wick on the other side, but it took out liquidity at the bottom of Friday. So I'm likely to, probability-wise, I think it's going to go up on the daily for end of day. And we're only at 12:30, but
yeah,
that's I go back to the daily all the time during the day just to check. Only when there's like a fair value gap that's so obvious right here, and you have buy side. Oh, this is kind of marked wrong, but yeah. You're just trying to get the probability. That's all you're trying to get is the probability. If you're on the right side of probability, then you know.
Yeah, that's trading. Probability and possibility. That's all it's about. But you must take a hard hit if that thing hits stop loss, eh?
My stop loss?
If I look at the Salem, is that adding? I can't see very well. At the top, because you're short. You're long. Sorry. Now I see.
Yeah, I'm long Bitcoin just because you mentioned it and because everyone's been talking about XRP for.
No, don't put it on me now.
Okay.
How can I do that?
Don't copy our trades. We may be drunk. Yeah. We may be half asleep.
I'm talking about S&P 500. I wasn't focusing on.
We trade from a mental institution. Don't copy trades or trade ideals.
The thing is, if I say long, then you're better short, because then that's what's gonna happen. No, I'm only kidding. But the S&P, you are in a long, right? I don't know how to make the screen bigger.
Yeah, I'm in ES. You can't. I don't think you can make the screen bigger. It's just the Discord thing.
Okay, yeah, but you in a long with ES, right?
Yeah, and check this out. That circle I drew. Check this out. Let's make it white. Or let's
Exactly.
make it,
Bounce over there.
or let's make it whatever to be able to see it easier. Light green. There you go.
Yeah, exactly.
That's your break. That circle is your breaker candle, the breakout. And that's your resistance if you do support and resistance. That's your resistance right there. And that's why it wicked hard and rejected. Doesn't mean it can't go back there. Definitely can.
No, of course, I understand that completely, but that's according to the system. Yeah. At the end of the day, if there's a long week, you're long, and as well. But it exactly dipped into that breaker block, and so continuation. My question was just that sell or sell stop, that stop loss. That thing gets hit. It's not a small amount, right?
It's
That
20
is
points.
that.
Yeah, it's 20 points times 50, so it's $1,000. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, I just wondered.
It's a 50K account that was at 48,020 this morning, and now it's at 51,870.
Oh wow.
So
I thought with Apex, you couldn't lose more than like 700 a day or something.
it's an eval, so it's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, all my trading friends mocked me for years about doing prop firms. It's not real money, it's fake money, but they can't make money on their own, so.
Well,
like who's really putting in the reps to practice and to get better? Is it them or is it me?
And you know what?
Yeah.
Who's the one balled up in the corner crying at night when they lose an account?
Yeah,
Look,
they're actually not losing accounts; they're losing their real money.
That's what I'm saying. If you have $5,000 in an account and you blow that $5,000 versus blowing that $50 Apex, you sleep different at night. I know this because I started off trading live accounts. All
right, so I'm gonna delete all these drawings. Oh my God, you're deleting. My friends are like, you're deleting your drawings. Yeah.
When they're no longer relevant, you get rid of them.
Well, no, I mean, if you saw it once, you can see it again. You can find them again. You don't need them. They're meaningless. If you draw a line, you're gonna stare at it.
Exactly.
I'm looking at Nasdaq for.
But once it breaks the line, it's invalidated anyway. So get rid of it. Anything on your chart that you don't need, get rid of it.
Yeah, but the exception of major gaps, they get revisited, so you don't want to discard them because it could be days later and it'll hit it perfect. And like evidence is the daily fair value gap that was on my chart, but it's not anymore. But if I go back to daily and remark it, just because it got hit once on Tuesday, yesterday, doesn't mean it's invalidated. And
but it didn't break. Yeah, but it went through, but that was just a wick.
It's still a disagreement in price. It's still an imbalance. Obviously, sellers had the foothold and took it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the next day on Tuesday, it wicked through the bottom. But this is Pine Tree's inside bar here on a daily. Yeah. To go higher. And it did, but not quite.
The inside bar has been around a long time. There's actually more to the inside bar strategy than what people do. There's a bunch of strategies built off of it. One of the strategies is called the strat. Have you ever heard of it? Where they number the candles. You have a 1 candle, a 2 candle, and a 3 candle. That's all the candles can be. So, inside bar would be a 1. Bar that opens, goes outside on one side and comes back in and goes to the other side would be a 3. And then a 2 would be a bar that opens and only goes to one side. It was a popular strategy a few years ago. A lot of people trade the inside bars and the outside bars.
Yeah, they still do though. In my opinion, it's a good, gives you quite a good idea.
Yeah, it's basically just a wedge pattern when you break it down.
Yeah.
You have an inside bar, it's creating a wedge, and you're basically buying the break of the wedge.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter this head and shoulders on the 1 minute with Nasdaq now. So, just letting you know.
Going short? All right, let's go. Ruin told me to.
Okay.
Alright. Go for the 20 mini 2491. Just whack that account now.
It's okay, Ruin. Mine's a paper trade, anyways. That's all I can do.
I'm gonna go with Omnius on his trade here. Check this out. Let's do it. Let's do this. Oh wait, that's not the right one.
He getting fancy. He breaking out projections and Fibonacci's.
No, you said 75%. So, well, it's 25 because I drew it from the other side.
Take profit was hit.
This is probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it.
Blame it on me. That's something you have to do. That's something you have to do every trade so it plays out. You can't just do it one trade and not the next.
Exactly, yeah.
You have to be consistent.
Yeah, that's what I preach. I preach consistency.
You got to do the back test on it and say, hey, with my strategy, if I add that 75%,
key.
And you keep the take profit the same.
Yep.
Well, that's something you got to back test and say, on my strategy, that works out great.
And if it doesn't work, you just put in martingale.
That's what
martingale.
See if it works out. Then.
If it doesn't work, just martingale.
Yeah.
That's what I do on my bot strategy. I do a 75% add. Works out great.
What's funny is like the ES and the Bitcoin chart look exactly the same with my entries and my stops. So that's consistent, right?
Yeah, they look like they're the same chart. So you look at what the symbol is.
Can you put both of them or zoom a bit out on the ES chart? Just zoom out so that we can, see more history. Even if you're on the 1 hour or whatever. And then a little bit on Bitcoin. Because usually the stocks and Bitcoin in this past time since institutions started getting part of it, you see. So zoom out that one of ES and then you see the similarities.
Ruin, I don't know about this short. Starting to look kind of iffy.
Yeah, my short. It's the retest now, but my short a good stop loss. So what I'm gonna do?
I'm getting out.
Stop seeing what I'm doing.
And
okay.
I told you I can't even hold a paper trade. I'm terrible at holding.
I'll be right back. I gotta take a phone call. I'll be right back.
Okay, no problem.
I'm probably fixing to get off in a minute myself anyways. Go find some lunch.
Nice. So
Ruin, what time is it where you're at?
At the moment it's 6:49 p.m.
PM? So it's almost bedtime.
Yeah, you see that's it. Somehow it's quite nice with the trading industry because London opens 10:30 in the morning my time. New York opens 3:30 p.m. My time. So I think Asia is obviously 2 a.m. in the morning. So, but for London and for New York, it's quite nice time frame in South Africa. If you want to trade both, London is very boring. Well, with the stocks to be or futures, to be honest.
Now, what's the London time frame? Mike's always talking about time frames. I can't never remember them.
Well, I can tell you because I'm GMT 2. You guys are 4 hours. For me, it is 10:30 in the morning. Right? So you want to know when London opens your time, or what are you asking? Are you asking when is London?
So if it's
open?
10:50 your time, would what? Take
30.
away? Take away?
10:30, yeah.
Yeah, 10:50. So you take away 4 hours, right?
No, sorry. 30123, not 50. Maybe I don't pronounce it very well. 30, like half past 10.
30?
Yeah, 30.
10:30?
Yeah, 30, yeah. There we go. I did try.
Oh, you did great. I mean, it's just different ways people say things, I guess. Oh.
Sure.
So then you take away 4 hours, right? So it'll be what, 6:30?
No, New York time is 3:30. Yeah, 6 hours, but New York time is 3:30 in the morning.
Wait, what time is it there, Ruin?
At the moment, 10 minutes to 6 in the
evening.
PM.
Okay.
It's like bedtime where he's at almost. Time to eat dinner, get ready for bed.
Yeah, sorry, I was wrong at the moment. It's actually in America. It will be 1 hour later if it's New York. Which area or which state are you in?
Me or Bama?
Me?
Omnius?
I'm in Florida.
So I don't know all of those that well. Is Florida? Is it close?
Bama, you're an hour behind me, aren't you?
It's almost 12 where I am.
Yeah, it's almost 1 where I am. We got almost
7 where I am. So which UTC are you guys? So it's 5. So are you roughly Toronto time or Chicago?
New York. New York. I'm New York. He would be.
Exactly,
Bama would
Chicago.
be Chicago.
He's in Chicago. So exactly 4:30 is London open. That is at the moment with no daylight savings time. Because remember, America has daylight savings time and Europe has daylight savings time. That's the only two.
I think that's coming up soon, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going away, whatever they do it. Will we fall back an hour?
I think end of October, if I'm not mistaken, for you guys. But at the moment, 4:30 in the morning for you, Omnius, is London open. Yeah. Yeah, when you guys trade Asian session, you guys, when you say, no, in late night or in the morning, let me have a look. Wait. Just put this back. +2. Just Joburg. When Asia open. 2 a.m. Forget about the Sydney session, but yeah, when Asia open.
Gonna get toasted.
Asia is 8 o'clock your night, evening.
This is the hour. 1 p.m.
Now they want a video. Now Ninja Trader wants a video. They wanted pictures, I sent them pictures. They wanted data, I sent them data. Now they want a video. They don't even know what the hell the problem is. Like, shit, we don't know, man.
We don't know.
Tell them you don't have a video camera.
Yeah, they're like, take a video from start to finish. There is no start to finish.
Tell them you have to. You've got a little lever next to your computer that you have to wind up the whole time for power.
I'm gonna ask them if VHS will work.
Telling you from Africa.
To better
When the power runs
understand,
out, you have to start winding that thing again.
to better understand and troubleshoot the issue you're experiencing, could you please send us a short video recording that shows the problem occurring on your end from start to finish? This will help us identify the cause more accurately and provide a more efficient solution. Well, there is no start to finish. There's no data. What am
I think maybe just take a few screenshots or show them, like, you know, with OBS, take a little video, show when you log in, this is what it is. You know, it must be a reason. There must be a reason because yours is doing it and mine not. Usually, when there's problems, it comes to our side of the world.
Yeah, it's just crazy that nobody. Like, last night I was working on this ever since like 3 o'clock. All night, and like, I went through the forums, did everything they said, deleted all the data, deleted the minute, the tick, the days, restarted a bunch of things.
Did you guys at the end start the competition? I just remembered that from last week. There's a competition that's going on with Ninja Trader or something.
When does it start?
Mike talked about this. He said, yeah, he's checking out. He's gonna let us know, you know, about the information.
I don't think it started yet.
He sent the link on Discord over here, and I think it might be the end of the month. It is a Monday.
I think it's next Monday.
But there's only X amount of entries.
I'm in it, yeah. What chip, you in it?
I'm still in my long, yeah.
No, the competition.
No, I don't know about it.
You don't know about it? The Ninja Trader competition.
No.
I thought you was there when we was talking about it last week.
I don't know. Is that the one that Nutty Bar's in?
I don't know. Is he?
No, I'm not sure what Nutty Bar's in, but also
haven't watched.
Trader is.
Been a long time since I watched Nutty Bar.
What's it called? What's the competition called?
Mike has it on his Discord.
Yeah, it's one of Ninja Trader actually. I know FOMO Trader, another guy, is also on. I'm pretty sure it's the one of Nutty Bar. They've been in it for the past month, and FOMO Trader he's number 4 or 3 on the ranks. And I think that is the apex or something you're talking about. What we're talking about here is
which Mike has it on his Discord. He has it listed as a Ninja Trader 400k competition. He's got the link in there to Ninja Trader to sign up if there's any more room. It's probably full by now, so if you're not in now, it's probably not going to get in.
Yeah.
It's a short trap. Short trap. Look at that. Look at that move. Short trap. I'm only saying that because I'm long, but you know.
It's good to keep the emotions.
It works.
This kind of look like a short trap. See your H pattern on the 15 minute now. See if it breaks down or pushes back up.
No, I think it definitely goes through the lows of the overnight. I'm going to be wrong. I'm going to let my stop be my stop. It is what it is, or it isn't, you know?
Or it isn't what it isn't. Is what it is, or it isn't what it isn't.
As you know, it's just literally gonna or tag your stop loss or just miss it and turn around. That's how it works. It's just gonna stop you out, or
I gotta figure out.
Literally not gonna stop you out and go up.
I gotta figure out how to take a video of nothing.
And if you're moving your stop, then you're lying to yourself.
Exactly. That's the one rule I have. I'll rather enter the trade again than move my stop loss. Once you move your stop loss, you've lost the battle, in my opinion.
Okay,
Oh,
on the hour, what's it gonna do? It's gonna flush me? Yep.
wow.
Flush me.
So much selling pressure at the moment, though. Where
Wow,
does
this
it
is gonna
come
be a hard,
from?
hard short too. Damn, missed it. 10 a.m. exactly, or 1 a.m. 1 p.m. Sorry.
No, it's 7 p.m. No, I'm only kidding with you. That's me. Wow.
That
this
was
is a
kind of
flush,
funny.
eh? Once again on the hour. Eh? Is this now when lunch hour is finished in US? Is this now lunch is finished, or is lunch hour starting now?
I don't know. I'm hungry.
Oh man.
Yeah. Let
I
it do
mean,
its
in the
thing.
markets.
Yeah, this would be typically it'd be lunch hour ending.
Ending. Okay. So
Yeah.
6, 5, 5.
Tends to pick up after about 1. All right, fellas, I'm gonna get off here, go find some lunch, find out how to take a video of nothing.
Good luck with
No
that.
problem. Are you still gonna be on? Are you on your channel? Did you wanna carry on still?
No, I'm gonna go ahead and get off and go eat lunch. Y'all can stay on
Yeah.
the chat if y'all want.
Oh, can we stay? Yeah.
Yeah, y'all are fine to stay.
We can stay, Rwana, if you want to. I'm here.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, y'all good.
I
Stay as
love
long as you want.
gaming. Oh, okay, great.
I just gotta
Yeah.
take care of some things and find out how to take a video of nothing and find some lunch.
Now it might. Yeah. Is this still on YouTube? But
I think he ended his stream a while ago or something. I don't know. But y'all are good on there. You're right where you're at. You're fine.
yeah. But are we on your stream? I don't want to say what I want to say on YouTube. That's what I'm saying.
All right.